हम जीते एक बार हैं, मरते भी एक बार हैं, शादी भी एक बार होती है और कुछ कुछ होता है कि हैज़ इट एज वेल एपिसोड वो भी एक बार ही होता है. Hello and welcome to Has It Aged Well. This film has so many quotes. I could have done anything. Like, तुसी Has It Aged Well कर रहे हो. I could have done प्यार podcast दोस्ती है. I could have done so many of them because today we're talking about one of the most successful, one of the most discussed, one of the most far-reaching Hindi films of all time. That quote was from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai from 1998. To talk about Kuch Kuch Hota Hai with me in the studio is my co-host Urjita Wani.
Namaste. Hello.
And returning after a brief absence after the Om Shanti Om episode, she's back to talk about another iconic mammoth Shah Rukh Khan film. She's an actor, she's an anchor, she's a what's the third thing you said? I forgot.
I can't get into this again.
Actor,
anchor,
writer. She said writer.
And she's the creator of Goddess Hour, which is something you should definitely check out on Instagram. We'll talk more about it. Please welcome back to Has It Aged Well, the one and only Priyam Saha.
Thank you guys. So happy to be here again. My dreams have come true. This has taken a year to schedule, I think. जितने हमारे बीच में cancellations और rescheduling हुई है, so I am blessed to be here.
You're finally here.
Hopefully this happens seamlessly.
Yeah, and
Hey, Priyam, but you know, when it comes to you, every hour is goddess hour. Every minute is goddess minute. Every second is goddess second. But God, when it comes to you, is not second. It's first because you're goddess.
Amazing.
Okay.
I like this Goddess Hour X like हद कर दिया आपने collab that we're trying to make happen.
वही मैं सोच रहा हूँ कुछ होता है कि एपिसोड पे कहाँ जा रही है अर्जिता बट
यार पर गोविंदा हमेशा कहीं पे भी आ जाए तो बढ़िया ही लगता है. So thank you for that.
Yes.
That's true.
What can I say? I mean today, थोड़ा pressure होता है ना, like when you're discussing a movie that's like so big as कुछ कुछ होता है. But we had to do कुछ कुछ होता है because how can you not? Because the makers of this film have been asking themselves, has it aged well? So we thought that we will also do this episode. Last time you were here, Priyam, you were talking about Om Shanti Om, which was a different era of Shah Rukh's career.
Yes.
Today we're talking about 1998. For our generation, this movie is like a cornerstone. Like this, इस फिल्म ने हमारे existence पे छाप छोड़ी हुई है.
100%. Big part of personality, pop culture relevance,
Yes,
100%.
Yeah.
everything. Urjita's generation also, I think, borrows a lot from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Yeah.
Rarely, I think, in India there's a person who's an adult who probably has not seen, or even a child who's not seen Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. But
If they haven't seen it, they ensure to make that their whole personality.
Yeah. So we don't speak to them basically.
Yeah.
But Priyam, 1998. First memories of watching Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. It's just like one of those films that was always in our lives, but it wasn't.
Yeah. So 1998, I was 7 years old, adorable. And I don't think I watched in the hall. My first memory of watching it is with my fam at home in like Z Cinema, Star Gold.
Yeah.
TV पे देखी है मैंने पहली बार. और बहुत मैं थी उस time young to understand the complexities of love, friendship and both of them together.
You were Tina's age.
I was 1 year.
Tina nahi, sorry,
Not
Anjali's age.
I was like,
Anjali's age.
Tina's age is
Sorry,
it's a
sorry.
problematic.
I mean Anjali's.
100%.
Anjali was 8 years old.
हाँ तो एक साल की
Almost.
she became 8.
Yeah,
तो
she
वही वो
became
कुछ
8.
कुछ होता है जो मैंने पूरे साल देखी बहुत बार. मैं भी 8 साल की कब हो
Yeah,
गई
she's like,
मुझे
मम्मी
पता
मेरे खत कहाँ हैं? मम्मी मैं
I
यहाँ हूँ.
used to find that thing so fascinating and crazy now. But when उसका 8वां बर्थडे होता है और वो बहुत सारे clocks के साथ उठती है, I was just like, I want that. That's the coolest thing. But even though I feel like I may have been too young to comprehend other parts of the film. But जब वो उसको स्टेशन पे छोड़ के जाती है, that's my first memory of crying while watching something. The first that you can watch something unrelated to you and that can evoke an emotion was like I'll never forget that.
It's really interesting how that evoked an emotion in you and not the part where she cried about her mom and not being able to say anything during that extempo thing. Because that...
Please continue.
Because honestly, that always made me cry as a child. I was also surprised to find myself crying over that scene. And I'm not a crier. I'm a strong alpha female. Okay?
Yes, bitch.
I don't cry. I'm not a pussy. Yo.
Big girls don't cry, yo.
Yeah, only my pussy cries every month. But I don't cry. So I was also surprised to find myself crying over that scene. And one another scene, and I'll reveal that to you shortly.
Oh, it's coming. Cool.
Yes.
अब्बास आप बताएं तुम कितने साल की थी जो देखा मुझे वापस से
ये शायद
relive करना है
थी
finding
नहीं।
out
मैं
कि वो कितना
1998
कितने साल की
I
है
watched it on TV only
Yeah.
जब भी वो आया था, but I think I was like 10-12 जब भी देखी होगी.
okay.
But in bits and pieces only I had seen it as a child, and then फिर कभी तो बीच में मैंने देखा था for a project long time ago, and then after that I saw it now.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai actually became one of those movies that you know, I have written my favorite film is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai in slam books and
Oh,
all.
really?
That's how much I used to love it.
Oh.
But then, you know, after you watch a movie so many times, like I'm like that with Jab We Met. Like objectively, yeah, good, but I feel like I can't watch it again now anymore. तो मैंने बहुत chunk of सालों के बाद हाल ही में देखी for this episode.
Right.
So then I'm excited to discuss it. अब्बास आप बताएं.
So I did watch it in the theater, not once but multiple times. I was 10 years old at this time. And with any 90s film, I always start with the fact that my elder sister was a Shah Rukh fanatic. So any Shah Rukh film, she would, and I was her guinea pig, like किसी को नहीं ले जा रहा तो तुझे लेके चलते हैं. But कुछ कुछ होता है, I've seen it with multiple batches. First with my family, second with my sister's friends, then like cousins and all of that. Then I remember we got like a pirated VHS tape after the film was out of theaters. So for I think a year or 1.5 year वो घिसी चली film. उसके ऑडियो कैसेट के गाने बजा करते थे. It's hard to explain to people how this film changed everything, because yes, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge had come.
Yeah.
This, by the way, didn't mention Karan Johar's debut film. This is the
Yes.
film that sets
Yes.
like changes the course of Bollywood, I would say, for years to come. But it's hard to say how this depiction of college, this idea, this guy wearing polo sports ka shirt, tight shirts, and this
Gap.
friendship day and lockers, and oh my god, people wearing mini skirts in college, and this cool. It was Archie Comics, right?
100%.
Like it's Mr.
Yeah.
Weatherby, Miss Grundy, which is a sexier version of Miss Grundy played by Archana Puran Singh. The kids are so cool with their teachers.
Yeah.
It's the fact that a boy and a girl being these friends who bond over basketball was not seen
Yeah,
up till that
yeah,
point.
yeah.
So of course Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge is the start of like what the template for Bollywood was set, but Kuch Kuch Hota Hai is the movie which I think we're still in the like the जो पाँव उन्होंने उस फिल्म ने बनाए उसमें हम अभी भी धसे हुए हैं. I
बिल्कुल,
think.
it defined cool with the
Exactly, yeah, quite
100%.
literally, yes.
Like you know, like overall की दुनिया खुल रही है, globalization आ चुका है,
Yeah.
ये लोग लंदन गए हैं shopping करने, तो it's a big I agree.
So that, and the more I revisit it, and of course we'll come to this later, the more I see that it has so many like those tick mark tenets of a Hindi mainstream Bollywood film, right? The fact that this film has emotion right at the center of
Yeah.
it, which for some reason I don't know why Karan Johar seems to be backing away from now. We'll discuss that later. But again, as a millennial, whether I like it or not, I was born at a time where this film is just crucial to our existence. If you are into pop culture, when I watch it back, I cannot be objective. I'm like, I grew up with this film. I cannot. I can name better Shah Rukh Khan performances. I can probably even say Kabhi Khushi Kabhi is probably a more accomplished film as a director for Karan Johar than Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. But Kuch Kuch Hota Hai is the sort of base on, I think, which mainstream Hindi cinema follows in the 2000s and the rest of this thing. So surprisingly, I still love this movie. I think this is still, everything about this film is so iconic. It's hard for me to pinpoint and criticize it.
I'm shook at Abbas's positive outlook to
I'm like,
this.
who is this
Who
guy?
is this? Did not see this
It's like
coming.
he is wearing that invisible cool necklace. Finally,
Dude, I
you
wanted
have
to
it.
Oh my
be.
God,
I was like,
Abbas.
जब मैं कॉलेज जाऊंगा ना, मैं भी ऐसे ही बनूंगा एकदम.
Yeah.
Your
जब नई
childhood-
लड़की है कि उसको रैक करूंगा, and
और
मेरी भी
friendship
एक फ्रेंड
offer
होगी मेरी
करूंगा.
अंजलि नाम की,
Yeah.
and all of that.
Oh my God.
None of that happened, obviously.
All your uncoolness as a child has really, unlocked some positivity in you. So thank you, Karan Johar. Thank
No, but
you.
I definitely get how it has influenced our culture in like student culture. I'm talking about बच्चों का भी culture होता है. तो and
बच्चों का.
बच्चों
Why
का
the
भी.
fuck have you pointed at yourself?
I was like, हम
Continue.
बच्चों का
हाँ,
मैं
ठीक है.
बच्ची नहीं हूँ किसी एंगल
No, I
से.
think Rujita very subtly is like, इन दोनों के मुकाबले तो मैं बच्ची हूँ,
हाँ,
guys.
फिर आगे.
मैं तो अपने आप को
And
भी
1 second, and I like subtly Abbas has put me in this.
I mean, I'm sorry, Priyam, but we are from the same generation.
No, please.
But,
You said you were 10.
anyway, I
No, you
was
were 7.
I was saying बच्चों का हम बच्चों का जो कल्चर है काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस किया बिकॉज ऑल्सो लाइक यू सेड कि कितने सारे हम ऐसा कॉलेज हमने देखा नहीं था जहाँ पे इतनी सारी कूल चीज़ें हो रही है एंड द वेरी फैक्ट दैट मेल एंड फीमेल फ्रेंडशिप इज नॉर्मलाइज्ड
Absolutely.
I mean, you can
Just
poke
that.
hole in the fact that later on, then again, they happen.
Yeah,
they
but
have
I'm
to be
saying just
lovers.
that-
at least over there
Yeah,
right? It
yeah.
wasn't sexualized in any way so much so that when Tina's father he's having an open conversation with her about how much how much she loves Rahul, and they're still in college. ऐसा भी नहीं शादी की अभी बात हो रही है. But he's so open with her. You have never seen a father-daughter bonding like this before. You
100%.
genuinely haven't, and that to me was like, oh, this is actually very cool. And when she asked him कि you know what, actually I think that Tina and Rahul के बीच में मैं आ रही हूँ.
Right.
He's like वो दोनों सिर्फ दोस्त हैं.
हाँ कि उसको भी पता है ये. That
Exactly.
principle though was, so I think on my rewatching, yeah, all the things, all the positivity things
Sure,
I
yeah.
agree with.
Now let's get-
However,
Yes.
I was quite surprised at my feeling like, yeah, this is not actually working for me that much.
Oh,
I think
really?
so many of the things that work for me now on rewatching Kuch Kuch Hota Hai after like a decade
Yeah.
was the nostalgia stuff of it.
Of course,
You know, so when we
yeah.
talk about like the pop culture, the fact friendship band, बिल्कुल यार कुछ कुछ होता है हमें दिलाए विरासत में. This लड़का और लड़की दोस्त हो सकते हैं. So much of the fashion I was really into.
Yes.
But first of all, it was V long. V like
Yeah.
ये 3 घंटे बहुत लंबी है.
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ.
When I was younger, I don't think I questioned Anupam Kher's relationship with any of his students at all. But it's fucking weird now, you know. He's whatever getting tired of fucking friendship band by Kajol, उसको गुल्लू गुल्लू कर रहा है. फिर
You know, that was, I think, innocent. That I think that was okay. But him pointing towards the other girls, ये short skirt
ये
not
short
allowed. That
skirts
was
not
weird.
allowed.
That
His
was
affair
weird.
with Braganza, okay, I stand. But
Yeah.
overall, I feel like now that even just how ridiculous so much of the relationship, the sexism, I'm sure it'll come up in
Yeah,
our conversation.
yeah,
Like, I think, unfortunately, on the rewatch, I enjoy parts of it, but I was cringing little bit.
Of course.
Yeah, at
Yeah,
like
yeah,
things
yeah.
at a place of that. Oh my God, I feel like I forgot this part about it. Or when I rewatched it multiple times, मुझे तब नहीं लगा था ये इतना weird.
पहली
Are
बात
you
तो
guys
मुझे
ready?
लगा था मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिव्स हो गए, बट प्रियम मैम आपने जो सैलाब ओपन कर दिया
मैं
है.
बस कह रही हूँ कि नेगेटिव पहले मुझे लगता था कि मैं बहुत कि नेगेटिव तो इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है कि वो उस टाइम के लिए कितनी कूल है और वो सब बातें सच है, पर जो भी प्लॉट डिवाइसेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से स्टोरी टेलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ये जरूरत से ज्यादा लूप होल हमने थोड़ा लीवे दे रखा है इसको ज्यादा.
Okay,
Yeah,
like
sorry,
give me an
continue.
example.
Something as ridiculous as the convenience of like timing कि जब उसको जब छोटी अंजलि कॉल करती है बड़ी अंजलि को ब्लैंक कॉल, तो वो ब्लैंक कॉल पे उसने फोन उठा रखा है और सलमान से उसकी बात हो रही है कि अच्छा तुम तो शिमला जा रही हो मुझे छोड़ के और इसलिए अपने 2 हफ्ते के लिए हाँ वो बच्चे मेरी जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन ये बस कैजुअली इन्फॉर्मेशन अंजलि को चली गई है बाय चांस.
Right.
You know, like stuff like that.
Okay.
Even the cross connection, the
वो
छोटी
you would
अंजलि.
hate रहना है तेरे दिल में then.
I do hate रहना है तेरे दिल में, by the way. I hate it.
If you hate ये plot using like phone calls as a plot convenience, you would hate
Yeah,
that
but I
film.
feel like this is just like off the top of my head.
Right,
But there were a lot
right.
of these
Sure.
convenient kind of things. जब अभी है तो सही है, अभी नहीं है तो नहीं है.
biggest plot convenience was the very assumption that Tina
That she
had
will
was
be
that
single.
she would be single.
और जब वो आ गई है that जब उसकी वहाँ पे वो कुंडली कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे उसने suddenly
Yeah.
she knows how to do a fucking namaz.
Yeah.
She just knows it. She's doing it. There's no.
Yeah. But I
Okay.
love
But
how
at that time, I was like, secular. Yeah,
Exactly.
That's it.
Dude,
Now I'm like, this is weird.
I was like, dude, इसके नमाज से अगर पंडित जी influence हो रहे हैं, I'm all for it.
I'm all for it.
Maybe it works, you never know. That's why we don't see it happen a lot. You never
Maybe we've
know.
not tried it. Maybe
Yeah,
we've
that's
not
what
tried
more
it.
people
Yeah.
should learn
Yeah.
how to
So-
do namaz.
Yeah.
And all hot girls, put your hands up and say, Gotcha! Woo!
If you know, you know.
No, so my big takeaway from my take on this film is that, and Karan Johar also kind of like pokes holes and shies away from saying that good. My thing is, dude, at some point our generation started labeling earnestness as cheesy. Okay, and the backbone of Hindi cinema, mainstream Hindi cinema since the 70s, 80s, 90s was earnestness.
100%.
That good people do good things,
Yes,
bad
yes,
people
yes.
get punished, whatever. So
And throughout the course of the film, the conviction with will you will stick
Yes,
to
yes.
that is your good film or bad film,
and
is what will
true
define it.
love will be
Yes.
victorious and all of that. So this whole thing that कैसे एक माँ मरते मरते कैसे अपने बच्चे के लिए 8 साल के लिए चिट्ठियाँ छोड़ के जा सकती है वो. At some point, our generation started scoffing at that,
Yeah.
and then Urjita's generation took that and turned it into cringe. हमने जिसको cheesy बोला, they call it cringe. Okay. Now my thing is Aditya Chopra, Karan Johar, Farhan Akhtar, these kind of guys, they grew up amongst the doyens of Bollywood, like the people who made Bollywood what it is, Yash Chopra, Yash Johar, Javed Akhtar, all of these. So they grew up with the mainstream Bollywood sensibilities, but because they were probably exposed to like Hollywood or these kind of things, they made it cool. But they kept the integrity in the earnestness intact because they knew this is what works for this audience in India.
Deify it.
Deify it. So Dil Chahta Hai also, the third act is a hero taking the Dulhan back, no matter how cool he is. But then because of the way things have evolved so quickly in the जिस चीज़ को इवॉल्व होने में 30-40 साल लगते थे वो आज 15-20 साल में हो जाती है. So socially we are way more conscious now. So now these people are themselves saying, these people are shying away from the fact that we put that earnestness, that upright earnestness of Bollywood because now it's considered cheesy.
I don't think even in like conversations with Karan or the interviews that he's had has been about the earnestness they're shying away from. The fact they're shying away from is the messaging of it. कि जब वो हॉट नहीं थी तब वो बस ब्रो थी और अब फिर वो उसने साड़ी पहन ली है तो चलो अब नाउ शी इज love of life. Even the idea of love, even stuff like this कि प्यार एक बार होता है शादी एक बार होता है, bizarro.
Which I mean
Tina's character, just forget that bit कि हाँ उसने 8 चिट्ठियाँ लड़की के लिए छोड़ी, हाँ वो अजीब है, but Bollywood में बहुत चीज़ ऐसी होती है. Conviction, I'm behind that. But when I rewatched it, I was just like, bitch, she knew from day one that there's something up. You know, this is not, she has not gotten into it उसको बाद में, उसको पहले से पता था. उसने शादी करी, शादी का बच्चा करा, फिर जब वो मर गई है then she's like, actually वो वेली ही हो गया बेबी, 8 साल हो गए. Even in terms of timeline,
right.
I am presuming कॉलेज खत्म हुआ, ये लोग 20 साल के थे, 22 साल उन्होंने शादी करी, 22 साल के बाद इनका 8 साल का बच्चा है. 31 तक काजोल मर ही रही होगी, this assumption. And second, when you go meet Kajol, who by the way, bitch, he was in college. You weren't even dating. He was a friend. Fine, stuff happens, sometimes you feel what you feel. छोड़, तुमने पढ़ाई ही छोड़ दी है, तुमने जा रही हो, peace out. That's also a bit much. And when you meet her, the feeling that कि अरे इतने सारे साल में भी कि मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह गया रिफत भी और तब से मैं उठ ही नहीं पाई हूँ, that I felt was a little
But again, that's
unnecessary.
again one of those tenets of what used to be Hindi cinema, right?
यार एक से शाहरुख की बीवी मर गई है, वो तो कर रहा है, चिल कर रहा है वो. You know, even जब वो अंजलि, छोटी अंजलि उसको कॉल करती है कैंप से कि पापा छू 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 she sneezes. There's a message in her his voicemail. Rahul, कल पार्टी है, आ जाना. तो Rahul is living.
Right.
Why is Kajol so sad? This is, I think, to me, I think it reminded me a little bit of, you know how Karan Johar, even when he spoke about Anushka's character in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, तो you know that वो Karan Johar की जो problem है थोड़ी है revenge लेने की. अपनी प्रोजेक्शंस में कि हाँ कि अनुष्का शर्मा को एंड में मरना था ही because she did not love him back. So even this, that kind of, no, Kajol has to suffer. That is what makes it true love. That she has not moved on. Shah Rukh has done his thing, has literally a whole ass household with another human being. But when he's come back, Kajol अभी भी कि हाँ राहुल तुम्हारे लिए मैं बची हूँ. I don't know. It wasn't sitting right with me.
Let's unpack Kajol's character.
Sure.
Let's do it.
I have many thoughts on Kajol's character.
Are you not reading that IMDb liner? That's all I'm about.
Yeah, so if you are one of the 3 people in India who has not seen Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
I care. I've seen it. I care about how IMDb describes it, and then Kajol's character.
Yeah.
So the IMDb description is: a tomboyish Anjali loves Rahul, her best college pal, but is anguished when he decides to wed Tina, a fellow collegian. 8 years later, widower Rahul's daughter is told to reunite him with Anjali. Pretty comprehensive, वरना बाकी के सब ऐसे होते हैं. Anjali loves Rahul, the end.
Like Telegram.
Yeah.
बताएं.
Let's unpack Anjali.
Unpack Kajol's character. Do it for me.
By the way, I
character.
just want to say you're dressed as Sanjana from Main Hoon Na. So Sanjana from Main Hoon Na.
Sanju, talk about Anju.
Deciphering.
Might I add, I used to relate to Sanjana's character so much as a child because I would also feel like, yeah, right now I'm ugly, but wait till I grow up.
Which is quite similar to the Anjali
Absolutely.
transformation.
Wait till I
Kuch
grow
hota
up.
hai.
And, bitch, I was right.
And I'm just like,
They all be regretting now.
but hasn't this been your face since the last decade? I'm just saying that you're really cute. You didn't need a transformation. You were already the after.
Should I leave?
मेरे-
Like you guys want to
मेरे-
work out things amongst yourselves?
मेरे childhood की photos आप तो देखे
ठीक है,
नहीं
ठीक है,
है.
ठीक
But
है.
anyway,
Kajol.
my problem, okay, with Anjali's character was, okay, college में ही जब भी राहुल फ्रेंडशिप बैंड वो दूसरी तानिया को बांध रहा रहता है, ठीक है, अभी हियर इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर ही इज़ अ प्ले बॉय, ओके, वांट बी प्ले बॉय, ओके, अंकल दिखने वाला प्ले बॉय, ठीक है, ये उसको फ्रेंडशिप बैंड को पहना रहा है अलग अलग लड़कियों को, है ना. And then Kajol looks at it.
लड़कियां राहुल के पीछे, राहुल लड़कियों के पीछे नहीं, पता
लड़कियां
राहुल के पीछे.
Kajol comes and she's like कि तो मैं इन stupid लड़कियों की तरह नहीं हूँ. So she again puts the blame on the girls.
बिल्कुल pick me.
And बिल्कुल pick me. Yeah, very much pick me. She was कि ये stupid लड़कियों की तरह, मैं इनकी तरह नहीं हूँ, मैं इनकी तरह नहीं हूँ. She says that so many times. And I was like कि okay, why is her character a pick me? I was trying to unpack that what could be a reason behind her, you know, usually like ऐसी लड़कियाँ pick me क्यों रहती है, क्योंकि उनको ऐसा रहता है कि मैं ऐसी नहीं बन पाऊंगी, तो इसलिए I should shit on them. That I was also like that in school. I was like, I can't be beautiful, so yeah, all the beautiful girls are bad.
They suck,
yeah, how dare you apply makeup and and teach me also a little bit. I was like
their beauty and braids.
Yeah,
that becomes the
yes. That was this whole, and I get where that was coming from. But I was like, ठीक है, but okay, what is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? And then when Miss Braganza says कि प्यार क्या है, and Rahul says प्यार दोस्ती है, suddenly इसके दिमाग में लड्डू फूटता है, and she becomes like those stupid girls. So you know, you are what you project. That is what I'm trying to say.
No, and also on that exactly सबसे पहला flaw तो actually thank you for bringing it up. In my rewatching was this कि एक second जब तक Rahul had not said these 3 magical words, which by the way I love Shah Rukh till I die, most generic words in the history. प्यार दोस्ती है is not the, you know, it's like a podcast dude bro saying the most basic thing and making that face like सुना. तो उसके अभी तक वही कि वो राहुल कि अरे तुम हो ना, अगर किसी और से शादी नहीं हो, तुमसे मैं कभी शादी नहीं करूंगी, राहुल सिर्फ मेरा दोस्त है, मैं स्टूपिड लड़कियों की तरह नहीं हूँ, उसका बाकी के साथ चक्कर चल रहा है, उसको कैंसिल कर रही है. Then she has just heard. It's not even directed at her. It's not even a personal question. It's an answer in a class, and she's like.
But in that scene for her, it's the admittance of Rahul saying "प्यार दोस्ती," and she's like, "And who's his best friend? It's me." So in a way, she misunderstands that as a confession of love, right?
But I'm saying even if confession of love, up until then, her thing was, "I am not in love with him for sure." For sure.
You know, it is almost very similar to Mandira Bedi misunderstanding Raj's advances in दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. इनफैक्ट एटलीस्ट वो तो भी थोड़े बहुत इनडायरेक्ट थे, यहाँ पे तो कुछ था ही नहीं. लाइक इफ टेक्निकली इफ यू वर टू लाइक रीड द स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म, तो ये सीन देख के तुमको लगा ये कोई रैंडम कैरेक्टर है जो इसके प्यार में गिर रही है, तुमको ध्यान में भी नहीं आएगा कि शी इज द लीड.
No, but let's say you have I'm assuming all 3 of us are straight on this panel. So if you have a best friend who's the opposite gender and you're friends with them, you don't have feelings, but somehow you get an inkling from them someday that they might be interested in you, do you then not be like, oh really, is that the case? Is she into me or is he into me?
I think the question will be, oh my god, is he into me? The answer will not be, oh my god, I am into him. I think that's what Kajol does. Also on that though, I do believe see यही कि तुम Bollywood, why does it ruin lives and all, कुछ होता है जब मैं को बहुत टाइम तक, ये सच है, have to confess, मेरी किसी भी लड़के से दोस्त as a straight woman, being friends with another straight man, I feel like I only learned how to be truly friends with a man much later in my life, because उससे पहले मैं भी कुछ sexual tension तो induce कर देती थी उस dynamic में, because of this प्यार में प्यार दोस्ती है kind of.
Got it. I was about to say, yeah, but then it's a vicious cycle. Like you see it happening and then you apply it to yourself.
Exactly.
Right.
It can happen when both of you are very lonely.
I think, yeah.
I mean, it has happened
don't get
with
personal
me.
attacks.
I mean, any kind of induced feeling is that.
See, when you said it like that, I was like, okay, cool, बचपन में हुआ है, okay, fair.
हाँ, और वही मुझे लगता है ये बहुत एक common, हाँ बिल्कुल, I think ये बहुत एक common feeling है, universal is why everybody related as much as they did. But when you watch it, you're just like, Kajol, Tina and Rahul, when they meet, also sure baseless, but okay fine, you know, that पहली नजर में little प्यार, little bit, ये कौन है, नई लड़की, उनके थोड़े से moments भी हुए हैं. शाहरुख और काजोल का up until that moment there was no establishment of it being even mini romantic, but then it suddenly was peak romance to a point. मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा, अब मैं
Yes.
पढ़ाई छोड़ रही हूँ, अब मेरी जिंदगी में वो
Yeah.
नहीं है, सलमान ढूंढो मेरी शादी कराओ. I think
But
that
the rest
flip
of the
was
college is
too
like, ये
much.
लड़का है दीवाना, ये लड़की है दीवानी. So they
Yeah.
were shipping them.
No, not
No,
really.
Rahul-
No,
Rahul
it was
and Anjali का
friendship. It was
He's your best
friendship.
friend, yeah.
Yeah, and okay, let me this. I also noticed कि वो दोनों में ना रोमांस दिखाया हुआ है काजोल और शाहरुख में in the first half, और उनमें ना दोस्ती वाली बात भी नहीं, लाइक इवन ब्रोज वाली बात भी ज्यादा नहीं दिखाई है, बिकॉज उनका फर्स्ट वो बास्केटबॉल वाला झगड़ा होता है, उसके बाद टीना आती है एंड देन एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट टीना. माय थिंग इज तुम एटलीस्ट एक दोस्ती वाली चीज दिखाओ दोनों में, लाइक मे बी समथिंग दैट मे बी शाहरुख हेल्प्स हर आउट और शी हेल्प्स हिम आउट.
So if anything, even when Anjali and Tina have that conversation about कि राहुल तुम्हारा दोस्त बेस्ट फ्रेंड है ना, नहीं मैं उसकी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त, चेप. But it really is like that.
Guys,
That's
but
almost
they
like,
have a secret
but
handshake
it's
thingy.
almost
Yeah.
like the friendship was a lot more important to Anjali, is why she got that much more hurt.
Yeah.
Rahul of course liked her and loved her and cared about her enough, but obviously I guess that is also the plot of the film. But that I think in the rewatching, मुझे जब बचपन में याद है कि राहुल और अंजलि मतलब इनसे बेटर कोई है ही नहीं. The ultimate kind of
Correct.
you have
Yeah.
found love with somebody you're friends with.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
But now when I watch it I'm like नहीं इतने दोस्त तो नहीं है.
Again, guys, they
I'll
had a
give you an
secret
example.
handshake.
That's fine. I'll give you an example.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
Rahul in the film. Okay. Again, I'm reiterating. I think Shah Rukh Khan is the only actor who can show male and female best friendship without showing anything romantic in his
Yeah,
eyes.
yeah.
And Shah Rukh Khan जिस तरह से काजोल के साथ बर्ताव कर रहा है ना in the first half, he's behaving the exact same way with Rani Mukherjee in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. That exact same dynamic which is devoid of anything
Yeah,
romantic,
yeah,
anything
yeah.
lusty. His eyes are not watery. पूरा dry हो चुका है. Nothing else is there. Which is why I was like, there is nothing romantic
Yeah.
about this
Until
whole dynamic.
there is suddenly.
From
Yeah.
Rahul's end, of course, there isn't.
There isn't, which is
Yeah.
what. So like, which is
Towards
why.
Anjali.
Huh?
Towards Anjali.
Towards Anjali. But then Anjali was taking like, she was literally feeding off of his crumbs. But
which he was not
imaginary.
necessarily giving out also.
Exactly.
That was my rewatch taking away.
Okay.
कि ये misunderstanding का मुझे लगता था कि I think obviously nobody's a villain in this. I think growing up I thought कि टीना की गलती है उसकी भी, वो भी we'll unpack Tina after
Not
this.
really.
But
Not
जितनी
really.
मुझे काजोल की गलती लगी इस भरसड़ में of just kind of taking this whole thing outside of you so personally, I was not about that. Let's talk about Tina.
Can I give my perspective on this
You
as a
must.
guy?
You
Because
must. Can't wait for it. The only perspective I care about, a man's. Go ahead.
that's exactly how Shrimi reacted in the BB #1 episode.
But before that, just before that, I have to finish this thought. If you just look at कुछ कुछ होता है इस first half, सेकेंड हाफ के बारे में भूल जाओ, मैंने कहीं पैक करके रख दिया है. फर्स्ट हाफ में क्या होता है, इन दोनों का शादी वादी होता है, एवरीथिंग हैपेंस. नाउ इमेजिन सेकेंड हाफ, एक नया सेकेंड हाफ है जिसमें टीना नेवर डाइज. दे बोथ आर टुगेदर हैप्पीली मैरिड. काजोल इज स्टिल क्राइंग फॉर हिम. व्हाट इफ शी डिसाइड्स टू कम बैक एंड देन बी लाइक एक्चुअली आई ऑलवेज लव्ड यू, देन विल राहुल फील एनीथिंग फॉर हर?
Absolutely not, because his
Nothing.
life is set. वही राहुल के लिए जो ये कन्वीनियंट, जो ये आ भी गई आइटम, मर भी गई आइटम, नई आइटम भी अवेलेबल, चल मेरा बच्चा भी ऑलरेडी, इज babe too much.
Yeah,
too much.
too much.
आप बताएं
हाँ,
अपना
नहीं,
point of view.
मैं सोच रहा था, of course, like I am relating to the guy in the film, right? Like these points that you guys have,
Yeah, of course
you
he
have
looks a lot
pointed
like
out.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah, totally cool.
Cool.
But the idea of for a guy to be like, hey, two women are interested in me, and I'm not even, the idea of a girl being interested in a guy that he's not interested in is a little bit of a power trip for the guy, right?
Yes.
My question here is though, but Rahul isn't even aware, the young Rahul isn't even aware that Anjali feels like this towards him.
He's not aware, is what I thought. But like in later, and like in one Karan's interview or what I think some script analysis, they had basically that train scene,
Yeah.
which had
Yeah.
it is supposed to be, अब वो आया है ऑडियंस को कि नहीं पता नहीं, but it is in Rahul's head that only time कि ट्रेन वाले सीन में टीना को पता चल गया पूरा that oh fuck, उससे मुझे एहसास हुआ कि मैं इन दोनों प्यार करने के बीच में आ गई थी. राहुल का पहली बार उसको एहसास हुआ है कि एक सेकंड मुझे इतना क्यों बुरा लग रहा है ये जा रही है तो. But he gets over it rather quickly.
No,
That's
but
what I'm
because
saying.
she's gone.
That's
And it's the
bitch.
late 90s. It's not
Convenient.
like you can log on to Facebook and find where she
I'm
is.
not. No.
Also, I mean, you can have very similar feelings for a bro also who is leaving.
Yeah, and also this, years later, if an 8-year-old has found her, it was not hard to find Anjali. It was not hard. You have not even sort of tried.
That's true.
You know?
That's true.
Tina.
But maybe he realized that, oh, maybe she has feelings for me, but I'm too deep in with Tina. So why should I even like try and scrape that whole issue?
क्योंकि प्यार दोस्ती है यार अब्बास. और अगर
There is-
प्यार दोस्ती है कि नहीं, दोस्ती प्यार है यार, जस्ट फॉर अ फ्रेंड. इतना तुम अगर बन रहे हो, तुम नहीं जाओगे उससे पूछने. तुम्हारी कॉलेज की बात भी नहीं हुई है और तुम अपने
Sure.
जवानी में शादी कर ली. Like it's weird.
Yeah.
It's weird.
True.
That's what I'm
Whenever
saying.
you
Got it.
try to find her, okay, I would like to give you an example of another Marathi film जिसमें वो लड़का सच में ढूंढने जाता है.
Okay.
30 अध्याय काय करते. It's a Marathi film, very popular film. It stars Ankush Chaudhary and like many other actors. तो I don't really support that story in any way, but उसमें वो दिखा हुआ है that the guy gets married to a girl after like dating this one girl in school and college and growing up with her, and she randomly goes away. He gets married to some other woman. He has a child now who is named after that girl.
Okay.
Okay. And
Which I want to say something about after
Yeah.
this. Go on.
yeah.
Okay.
So then who's named after that girl, and then his whole मतलब उसका पूरा story है कि 30 अध्याय क्या करते, वो अभी क्या कर रही होगी. So then like he meets her finally, and then they don't do anything, but then that is a very important moment for him. So I'm
Right.
just saying, if a man wanted to, he could have.
If he wanted to, he
could
would
have.
have.
Yeah.
If he wanted to, he would have.
Yeah.
You know,
what did you want to
also-
say about the child?
Too many things. I
Yeah.
thought suddenly. On what you said, what is that movie that Shafali, Shah and Jaideep?
Teen something.
Three of us.
Three of us.
Three
yeah.
of us.
Cute. Obviously not kuch kuch hota hai, but that sentiment of truly, if you felt like somebody, you've thought about them and when you've met them, it's quite like wonderful and all. That was a sweet moment. When these guys met, I think in that 3 stories, what's the name? Sorry.
It's, three of us.
Three of us, yeah.
In that intention कि वो जाती है उससे मिलने, यहाँ पे उनका जो surprise meet होता है, थोड़ा lacking conviction. This same name thing. I recently, a friend of mine, she was seeing a guy for an arranged marriage prospect, and one of the many things I'm sure that was wrong with him, the major one was कि उसका same नाम है जो उस लड़की के भाई का नाम है. तो उसने कहा ये बहुत अजीब है
that
कि मैं
happens.
कैसे यश और यश, it's weird.
Yeah.
Now this Anjali कि अपनी बेटी का नाम भी अंजलि रखना अजीब, स्पेशली क्योंकि टीना ने ही वो चिट्ठियां लिखी है जिसमें कि बेटा आपको बड़े होके बड़ी अंजलि को ढूंढना है. सो इट इज वियर्ड फॉर राहुल टू बी
But I
fucking
know
an Anjali while having an Anjali.
I know someone in real life who named their daughter after someone they could never have in their life. So
This
they-
is
they-
why
Love a healthy marriage.
women never let your husband name your daughter.
Love a healthy
और your
marriage.
son also. क्या पता उसका नाम वो
कादम्बरी रख दे.
अनज रख दे. Unjudge. Yeah, totally not
Yeah.
not taken from a woman's name. But yeah.
Okay, we have to go on a short break. When you come back, let's unpack Tina and let's talk about a little bit Rahul also, guys. Just
Of
don't.
course, yeah. SRKA.
And we'll try and unpack why exactly Kuch Kuch Hota became such a big deal and continues to be such a big deal. We'll take a short break. If you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to the IVM Pop channel. Like this video, share this with anyone who you think will enjoy it. And if you're listening to us on an audio platform, please give us a 5-star rating. It helps us reach more people. We'll see you right after this. Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus speaks to social activist and Padma Shri awardee Sunita Krishnan. Sunita tells us about her new book, I Am What I Am, which chronicles her transformative journey and advocacy work. She also talks about her impactful work challenging societal norms and championing empowerment. On Remembering It Differently, Ramya and Rachel look at how India's relationship with food has evolved from simple home-cooked meals to Michelin-star chefs. They explore what our fascination for food made in India but authenticated by global trends means. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word. Tell your friends and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week, IDFC First Bank and Grab. And we're back on Has It Aged Well? We're talking about Kuch Kuch Hota Hai from 1998 with Urjita and Priyam. I seem to be the only one defending the movie and
Which is unheard
First
of.
of all, yeah.
Yeah.
Never has it ever.
Yeah. I
But
think
I'm also-
Abbas is just excited that the male character के पीछे दो सुंदर female characters है. He's like, oh my god.
No, see.
I think this is kuch kuch hota happening right now.
Yeah.
There's some weird fantasy
No,
about
guys.
it.
Yeah, we are
Rahul is
we are
no-
dissecting the male gaze, female gaze, and he is like, do I get to be Bonita? Come on.
ऐसे
two
में बीवी
girls.
नंबर हमने ये थोड़ी लगा अच्छा हुआ चीट किया नहीं
नहीं पर वो शादीशुदा उसको तकलीफ हो रही थी ना
हाँ,
इसमें तो
इसमें राहुल
कन्वीनियंट
को
है
दोनों
इसमें
हाथ में
तो
घी में उसकी
मर ही गई वो
Yeah.
क्या करेगा
Yeah.
नो बट राहुल इज नो व्हाटएवर मुहूर्त ऑफ whatever ईमानदारी
ईमानदारी.
but we spoke about Anjali. Tina played by Rani Mukherjee. I think this was Rani's like arrival, right? Like she had been in movies
Arrival,
before.
but yeah, like this is the fourth film. She should have
मेहंदी
been-
हो चुकी थी क्या इसके
नहीं, so
हो
she has
चुकी ना?
done
हाँ.
B.A. Phool, which shockingly is one of the very few Bengali movies. I am Bengali. Very
Okay.
few Bengali movies I've watched. That was the first. Then she did Raja Ki Aayegi Barat,
There was some
Gulam.
Mehendi, right?
Mehendi came after Kut. Like,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, this was the fourth.
Oh,
Dude,
okay.
Mehendi seems like an alternate universe.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Yeah,
But I
yeah.
would
seem
imagine they probably shot it all the
Before,
Before,
yeah,
released
yeah.
first. So then
Yeah.
she did B.A.
Dude,
Phool ke baad
this
she
happens
did
so many like Man and Dil Chahta are 2 years apart. Like you can never.
crazy. You can never. Then she did Gulam.
Gulam,
without
where
her
her,
audio.
voice was dubbed for some reason.
And Karan Johar was asked by Aditya Chopra to watch Raja Ki Aayegi Barat to say कि हाँ है वो picture अजीब, but that girl is good. Watch it for her. And he watched it and somehow really liked her. And then when they went to cast, obviously now it's all over the internet also कि weight घटाओ और patched क्यों और whatever.
Right.
They've spoken about it on Coffee also. And again, I am not above blaming anybody for anything, but the times were different, so you have to take conversations
Yeah,
like that
yeah,
with a
yeah.
pinch of salt. So yeah, that's how he found Rani Mukherjee, and she became, after Tina's role was put down by many women that he went to in the
I
industry.
think this one Twinkle Khanna was
Twinkle
supposed to
Khanna
play
was
it,
the
yeah.
original Tina,
Yeah,
क्योंकि उसका
yeah.
nickname भी Tina है.
Yeah.
तो वो ऐश्वर्या के पास गया, रवीना, तबू, lots of girls.
Everybody said no because it was a small.
Yeah,
role.
it was like a second lead.
Oh.
So then, or not even a second lead, कि वो मर जाती
It's
है.
like she
That
dies
doesn't
in
end
the
up
first
together.
5 minutes of the
it's
film.
a slightly
yeah.
longer cameo.
yes.
Yeah.
So then Rani, of course, I mean, said yes and all, but one of Rani's big concerns, which apparently Manish and all, my first name Rose, Manish was like, everybody kind of got together because Rani's biggest concern was, how are you going to convince the audience that Shah Rukh is choosing another person over Kajol, which I thought was really cute.
Right,
Oh.
You know, like
right.
as a like, हाँ, बिल्कुल, कैसे करोगे convince?
Because the DDLJ was like 3 years
Absolutely.
before. Yeah.
So फिर करने का पतला हो जाए convince. But anyway, this was a big conversation. Then that's how much then their scenes need to look nicer or more authentic,
Which is
because
why I
that's
think-
what you're against.
काजोल को इतना उन्होंने टॉमबॉय बनाया that you are like हाँ भाई रानी है सुंदर अब क्या
Which
क्या
on
करे?
that also, by the way, so the first time I ever met Karan Johar was for like a shoot we were doing, and then and I've grown up a huge Kejo fan.
Right.
We are spirit animals.
Right.
He just doesn't know it yet, but yeah. तो मैं उसको आता है कि something I told him about, oh my god, कुछ होता है favorite film, मैं slam book में लिखा है
Yeah.
और आप बहुत सही हो, और something I said about Anjali's haircut, that I feel like, you know, you have to understand that you were responsible for a whole generation of girls growing up with Anjali haircuts. And then he said, I must tell you what happened. We had not a completely different look in mind, but a short hair look, but a different look for her. When we started shooting on the day, some wig wasn't working out. It was just not working out. And this is not like abhi, ek to wo shoot bhi kahin kar rahe the.
Right.
And it's not like abhi ki you can make things happen.
Correct.
So then that hairband addition was actually quite last minute to keep that wig together. And then it just became iconic. It was a bad hair day, a
Nice.
bad wig day.
Oh,
Movie
wow.
magic, guys.
Movie magic, truly. How wonderful.
Wow, man.
Is it true that I read somewhere that Aditya Chopra was the one who recommended that Karan start the movie with this this thing, the flashback thing, not the flashback, but like the current thing where she's already.
I'm not sure.
uh,
I
This
don't
is
know.
true. I have
Yeah.
also heard
Yeah,
it. And in fact, I had also heard that there was also a whole ass shabby sequence of Rahul and Tina where she was shown as sad. Because she
Oh,
was
okay.
constantly thinking, oh fuck, I'm doing something
Tina,
wrong.
stop it. Let's
Yeah.
get into Tina, man.
Yeah,
Ranjita, bata.
and I'm so glad they cut off that scene because I feel like I've seen that scene also somewhere. So
Basically,
I'm like,
kabhi alvida na kehna.
yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah. So then Tina, I want to talk about Tina. Okay.
Yes.
First part, I really like Tina. I found her very hot, especially
Very hot.
Especially when Koi Mil Gaya चालू हुआ और वो गिटार लेके आया. I'm like, yeah, you must save your girl. Yeah, come here, play the songs to me in my ear. I don't know.
Can I just point something though that they played Altaf Raja's song to
Yeah.
like make fun of it, and I think that has carried on till today.
And I feel
You
like
still
it's
play Altaf
rude.
Raja.
How dare you play Altaf Raja as anything but complimentary?
That
first
is
of
not
all.
the only song that they made fun of.
Uh-huh.
You know, there's another song that they
Bataye.
made fun of.
Which one?
Rangila.
Yeah, I had to.
I have read about this
Rangila,
also, and
huh?
honestly, I did not think about it until I read about it. Okay, so you know, you have seen Rangila, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You have seen the film.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have seen
We've
the song, right?
did an
Yes.
episode
Tell
on
me,
this.
what kind of vibe does that song? Forget about the movie. What kind of vibe does that
The
song?
title
give?
song.
Yeah, hot, cute, or sexy?
Hot, I would say.
But it's cute and hot. But hot also.
Really, because for me it is super cute. Urmila
But it's a
looks
generation
It's a
beautiful,
generational
thing.
cute.
Yeah,
I think she looks fantastic.
Yeah. But
I think she's
but Urmila, when she was in Rangila, and you would obviously know as a man, which you keep bringing
Yeah.
up, like that was
The only
like
thing- the
Urmila's sex,
Exactly.
like coming back.
The
like
first
Rangila was
thing-
Urmila being
It was
sexy.
supposed
The
to be
first
sexy,
thing
yeah.
about Rangila was that song and Urmila coming out of the water.
Yeah.
Wearing,
Because my
wearing the
thing
white
is,
shirt.
she was so innocent in the film. I fell in love with her, and
No.
I was like, this in no way.
That
is
you wouldn't have found till you went to see the film in
Yeah.
the
Achha,
theater.
okay.
Yeah.
The
Fair.
Ram Gopal Varma knew how to get men into the
and
theater.
the projection
Oh.
of Rangila
Yeah.
was that Urmila is sexed
Yeah,
up.
everything,
really?
yeah.
Manish Malhotra makeover.
Acha, so it was
bikini,
supposed to be
It
sexy.
was supposed to be
Yeah,
hyper
yeah,
sexy.
yeah.
Because in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, when she did that whole Rangila routine and everybody was like, oh my god, what is she doing? This is very embarrassing. So that was supposed to be like, this is like, I read somewhere that was supposed to be like a subtle messaging that Urmila is for adults and
But that
No, 1
was the
second.
message.
On that though,
Huh.
one, as people who are Bollywood lovers, have played many a game of dumb charades,
Yeah.
charades, whatever,
Yeah.
Yes.
have probably enacted Rangila, answered Rangila. In
Yes.
which universe is this?
yeah.
If I, do
mean,
this,
you would be the perfect person to say because you have Goddess R.
but
where you
what
do
is
dance.
that? And if they did not put that background music,
Nahi
Yeah.
samajh
how
aata.
this child, Rangila,
Nangila.
Oh, he said Nangila?
Yeah, she says Nangila.
Oh, no, wait.
not
Yes.
intentionally, yaar,
Yeah, of course,
Urgata.
she's like she's a totla, but she's
But this
but it's a
child
double
has gotten
meaning. though.
Rangila, and everybody is this whole hair and the pout and all of that. I'm like, this. What are you doing?
Yeah, and
what,
by
is
the
this
way,
hate story too? What is happening?
Kajol, just for that, I was like, Kajol, you don't look good at all while doing that. Because
Kajol, you're being like other girls right now.
yeah,
Yeah.
and I hated because I was so mad because I was like, Rangila, in no way was it like sexy, like, you know,
Of
because
course
in
it
my head,
was.
because
Yeah.
in my head I'm like कि जब भी बॉलीवुड ने किसी गाने को या किसी एक्ट्रेस को सेक्सी का करार दिया है
मैं ऐसे ऑफेंड हो गया उसने बोला
मैं
रंगीला
समझ सकती
सेक्सी
हूँ.
नहीं
मेरा
है
भी Rangila is a huge part of my sexual awakening also, so I can totally understand. Yeah.
बट आई एम सेइंग कि बॉलीवुड ने जब भी किसी एक्ट्रेस को करार दिया है कि ये सेक्सी है it has never worked out well for her. Like case in point, Malika Sharawat, Bipasha
Right.
Basu. So I'm like, come on, Urmila Matondkar was way more than that, and her role in Rangila, don't reduce it to this.
just-
That is what my emotion was truly after watching
Farida
that.
Jalal also very funny in that scene where she's like, what do I do? How do I stop this vulgarity?
Yeah, so like I
But
had
anyway.
read somewhere that this was supposed to be like this subtle messaging that Rangila is for adults. You know, they wanted.
Subtle, no, that was the messaging.
That was the
Yeah,
messaging, but
yeah.
then like I don't know, it was
I think
it wasn't in good faith. That's all I was.
Just like
No,
as
that's
a
just-
Damsharad's pro, I just do not approve of the acting of Rangila.
Yeah.
And
I
that's
think now
it.
we're nitpicking. I
No,
think that's...
that Rangila thing was one. It's fuck. Has it aged well? It didn't even age the first time. I was like, ये कैसे guess किया? अरे? Anyway. आपको
Okay,
कह
back
रही
to
थी.
Tina.
But yeah, Tina.
Yeah.
Okay, Tina coming back. वो जब भी वो गिटार लेके आती है, I found her very hot, and I thought that Rani Mukherjee's portrayal of Tina was very good.
Yes.
Like because she had very little to do with her character. She just had to bring empathy to the table. She couldn't bring her personality. She couldn't bring anything else. उसका personality बस वो इससे शुरू होके इस पे खत्म होगा और ये करते करते वो off हो गई. ठीक है. So then she's like, I love
ये
how.
करते करते वो off हो गई.
Yeah.
What a great way to go.
Yeah, I mean, that's true. And so she comes and she notices कि अंजलि को राहुल से प्यार है, which I mean like good on her, because in Bollywood ऐसे कितनी बार हमने देखा हुआ है कि very clearly one character is head over heels in love with the other character and everybody is like कि क्या हम तो अंधे हमें तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, but यहाँ पे उसको दिख रहा है, which is so good, which is so true, because लड़कियों को हमेशा समझ में आ जाता है if a girl likes a guy, especially if the girl is the guy's friend. You will, as a girlfriend, you will
Your
always
instinct,
know.
you know.
always know
Yeah.
this girl likes this guy. एक लाइन में समझ आता था कि yeah, I know him more. ऐसा ही कुछ बोल दे, I'm like चल मैं मारूंगी तेरे
Is there
टप्पू पे.
a personal experience?
Yeah, I
Ruchita,
feel
that
like
you,
this
yeah,
is
it seems like
really
the
the
conviction
real
with
coming into
you
real.
are talking
The
about it, but
conviction,
like.
but I supported
Don't we
her.
all have
I
such
supported her.
experiences?
But
Yeah.
have either of you read this Iman Sheikh, who used to be big on Twitter?
Love Iman
She
Sheikh.
wrote a queer reading of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, where she pointed out how if you watch the film, it seems like Anjali is in love with Tina and Rahul is in the way. So she actually is trying to get Rahul out of the way. And trust me, if you read that and watch Kuch Kuch Hota, you cannot unsee it.
Iman is amazing, so I believe it.
Because
Yeah.
the way, like for example, when Tina starts singing the bhajan, and the way Anjali is looking at her,
Yeah.
or the way Anjali is going out of her way to make sure Tina is comfortable because she's new in college.
Then she
you
has that.
cannot
She went.
unsee-
Kajol is on an acid in the first one. Ha!
Yeah.
Yeah. Kajol, relax.
That.
Relax. But
So
in
yeah.
this bhajan thing also, I
Yeah.
think also this is, that again, that globalization era, that late 90s, early 2000s की हाँ हम क्यारे
हम
हिंदुस्तान
NRI
और
हैं
अपने दिल हम
बाहर,
दिल में
ऐसा
रख
तो
के
हमारे दिल
घूमते
में
हैं.
रहता है, yeah,
So
that's
this
true.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे, even जब DDLJ में काजोल को establish करने की वो भली लड़की
yeah,
है,
yeah,
that's
yeah,
what she's singing.
yeah.
मोहब्बतें में ऐश की वो घरेलू लड़की है, वो
Correct.
singing. So I think
Yeah.
this
कभी
bhajan
खुशी
is
कभी
also
गम में भी ऋतिक रोशन एंड
हाँ,
करीना
हाँ,
आर सिंगिंग
exactly. So this is a real dharma यशराज
yeah.
Propaganda.
हम religious हैं
Yeah.
Yeah.
और हमारे अच्छे संस्कार हैं. This
Yeah.
is that song for
Yeah,
them.
yeah,
Yes.
totally.
On the कोई मिल गया दो in the beginning. See, ये मैं nitpick नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं समझ सकती
हाँ,
हूँ
हाँ, नहीं,
conviction
बोलिए,
या
बोलिए.
great.
You have the
But
floor.
the whole idea of कि जिनको आना था वो नहीं आ पाए हैं,
हाँ.
तो अब तुम दोनों को why these two? It's a big college. They seem to have
No,
lots of
because
societies.
the way I perceive that is वो जो होते हैं ना फेस्ट वाले like
Yeah.
college में जो हर
Yeah,
चीज में
people-
घुसे
समझ
रहते
गई
हैं.
मैं.
हाँ, so
बट ये
like-
होता है हमारे कॉलेज में भी
or as somebody
Yeah.
who was part of that
Of course,
those
yeah,
annoying
yeah,
people, I
yeah,
understand that, but these people who are saying हमें कोई talent नहीं है, उनको organize नहीं करना, उनको perform करना है, weird, and then they start that Altaf Raja whatever
Yeah.
bad CD.
Yeah.
Then Tina, who first was not called but is behind, वो अपना drum बजा रही है. अभी यहाँ पे ब्रिगांजा सा बाबा उसका वो चल रहा है. Tina is not even part of this conversation. They are asking Rahul and Anjali. Then when Tina enters, then people have also come. उनका clear भी हो गया है stage now. Suddenly Anjali and Shahrukh also like sing. I understand this is that nitpicky kind of क्यारे but गाना actors lip sync कर रहे हैं. I understand that. But when I watched it, I was like ये भी convenient कि टीना क्यों थी वहाँ पे जब उसको नहीं होना था. मुझे बहुत बार convenience
if someone's
दिखाया.
playing an Altaf Raja cassette and then suddenly someone comes on stage starts playing blues guitar, my attention will go to them.
Attention will go, but I'm
Yeah.
saying as soon as Tina has joined this duo that
Huh.
apparently is so talentless they couldn't
Huh.
do one tone, now one full orchestra-led कोई मिल गया song has come out of nowhere. I don't know.
Yeah, I think when it comes to songs,
Speaking of,
no.
you watch Hindi films. I mean,
Yeah, I mean हम काफी ये तो काफी creative liberties लेते हैं. When it comes to
जरूरत से
songs,
ज़्यादा,
हम तो
जरूरत से
बहुत
ज़्यादा लगा मुझे. For
भाई.
this, for only कोई मिल गया. On the music though, I don't think कुछ कुछ होता है as an album that I kind of listen to the album per se. But this is also back in the time where situation के हिसाब से
Yeah.
गाने बनते
Yeah,
थे, and I
yeah,
think
yeah.
all the songs are
Yeah.
beautiful. Jatin Lal,
I,
shout out.
I do think Tujhe Yaad Na Meri Aaye is very like a poignant
Beautiful, beautiful,
song,
beautiful,
heartbreak song,
beautiful.
exactly at the right time, at the right moment. Like right from when she realizes he's rehearsing the lines not for me but for someone else.
But on this Kajol trying to get attention, we have to talk about the pink and orange outfit,
Yeah,
which
Oh,
by
yeah.
the way
which has
iconic.
become a meme
And the
now.
moment of the कि शाहरुख उसको हक कर रहा है पर उसको
Yes.
the ultimate image
yeah.
of कुछ
Yes.
होता है.
Yeah.
अच्छा हमने किसी cameos की बात नहीं करी अभी तक.
There are cameos in this
There
film?
are many very. I must educate you.
Yes,
guys.
please educate us.
First of all, ये जो इनके
two
कॉलेज
cameos
में
मुझे अभी याद
इनके
आया,
कॉलेज में
sorry.
जो वो वाला एक कैरेक्टर है जो जैसा कैरेक्टर मैं हूं ना में पर्सी का होता है
हाँ.
उस टाइप.
हाँ.
But he's your best friend, yeah.
Yeah.
When you rewatch it, he comes up more than just that. He is Tarun Mansukhani.
Okay, who
Cute.
went on to direct
Oh.
Dostana?
Went
Yeah,
on to direct
yeah.
Dostana, and one doggy movie Dharma had made called Kuchi Kuchi होता है.
Which never released, right?
I don't know if it released or not.
Yeah, yeah.
Because
Yeah,
I looked him
animated
up.
film.
Animated
Yeah, yeah,
film.
yeah.
Tarun Mansukhani has something to do with that, so he's
Ah, okay.
I guess really involved.
Right.
नीलम शो हमारी क्वीन. नीलम शो के
yeah,
उसमें
Neelam, we should
नीलम
give a
कोठारी
shout out. Yes.
and
Shout out
Farah
to
Khan
VJ.
And
and
yeah.
Farah Khan.
तो उसके उसमें आती है फराह खान एंड निखिल अडवाणी when they are on the show.
Yes.
कि
yeah.
किसको मैसेज देना चाहते हो और मुझे नई गर्लफ्रेंड मिल गई
मुझे मिल गई है,
एंड इन
हाँ.
दिस सीन वेयर काजोल कम्स एंड दे मेक फन ऑफ देम तो उसके स्टेयरकेस में पहले करण जौहर की माँ जाती है स्टेयरकेस के. सो देन शाहरुख सेज आल्सो गुड इवनिंग मिसेस जौहर.
Oh.
And on the stairs, who start this? Ki, hey, what is she wearing? Is Farah Khan and Manish Malhotra with a strange ass haircut. So yeah, these are the cameos I noticed.
Actually, yeah, if you go through the opening credits of Kuch Kuch Hota, it's again like the next generation of filmmakers
Yeah,
you will watch.
yeah.
Not just directors, but like costume designers and art directors and a whole lot of those. Can I again make an argument about
you
Rahul?
must, sir. You must.
So, when I was rewatching it this time, the idea that Rahul realizes the importance of Anjali's feelings towards him much later in life. Now, again, this is again a very sort of tired Hindi film trope, that he realizes that after raising a daughter, so he's now more prone and more
More
open to a feminine, a girl's perspective or a woman's perspective, because now he has a wife and has a daughter. And in a lot of Hindi films we see this, that the man learns something when he has, there's that whole thing na ki tere ghar mein maa behan nahi hai kya. So it's like, unless a man does not have a wife or cares for a daughter or a wife, he will not understand the basic decency of
and also, I mean, this though is still like late 90s
Yeah,
and all
yeah,
that,
yeah.
but even like the 80s, the biggest trope was that avenging your sister's
of course, yes,
Yeah.
rape or death.
Yeah,
Something
yeah,
has terrible has happened to a woman in your life where you're like, oh wait,
And that is
am I a human being?
that trope is coming back now with Maharaja.
I was about to say
Of
Maharaja.
course.
I mean,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
was
yeah.
the one thing that, but there's slight spoilers for Maharaja. The third act is what put me off, that it's the most tired trope of man's motivation. Like the woman's job is only to be the
Absolutely,
motivation for the
absolutely.
male character.
Yeah.
But do you think there is merit in the fact that maybe Rahul, after having a daughter and having a wife, he was like, yeah, now I value Anjali's feelings more, which is why now that the wife has passed away, he's like, now I do have a chance to reciprocate.
मुझे
that.
वही मैं कह रही हूँ that Rahul's feeling, I don't know if I want to give him that kind of benefit of doubt, because to me when I
But
watch
again,
it,
people evolve, right? Maybe he was
I understand that, बिल्कुल.
leechard in college, but
और वो लीचर्ड भी ठीक है यार, he walked around in college,
हाँ,
cool.
हाँ,
But I'm saying that when Anjali comes back to his life, I would feel it more if he had anything to do with it. You know, if
Yeah.
it's suddenly this time when I'm single and what
again,
is
Tina knew he won't. That's why she gave the
हाँ,
responsibility
कि चलो
to
ये
his
कर लो।
would-be
अगर ये
daughter.
इतना कन्वीनियंट, बेसिकली मैं कह रही हूँ कि अगर छोटी अंजलि बड़ी अंजलि को ढूंढने नहीं जाती, राहुल की जिंदगी सुखद, विदाउट एनी कॉम्प्लिकेशन, विदाउट इवन अ थॉट, एक बार वो सोच के अंजलि और में हिला लेता, ठीक है, बट हिज लाइफ वुड गो ऑन. ही आई डोंट थिंक ही केयर्स अबाउट
तो
अंजलि
घर से निकल भी रहा था बिना पैड के.
हाँ बिल्कुल. He's just like, yeah, he seems rich, he's doing well for himself.
And
Yeah,
I think you're right. I think I would have been very sold on this love story, this second love story, अगर राहुल को, if they would have shown Rahul miss Anjali at least
Even
like once or
once,
twice.
twice.
But we
or
don't
once.
see that. Those 8 years, we don't know what happened in between. Maybe he, before going to sleep,
Maybe
he-
नहीं दिखाओ ना.
नहीं
शर्माते
हाँ,
क्या हो?
शर्मा के दिखाओ हमें
क्या
भी
हो
जरा.
रहा है?
Picture कैसे
और
बनेगी?
पर वो 8 साल में तब तो वो शादीशुदा था. तब जो montage में दिखाया, which is our image of the 8 years, they are very happy. वो अपना bench पे चिलविल कर रहे हैं, pregnant हो
because
रहे
it's
हैं,
a
all of that.
montage. You can't show everything in that, right?
This, I feel like this is going on in circles, Abbas.
इतना ज्यादा बेनिफिट
हाँ,
अब्बास
बिल्कुल.
इनको दे रहा है जितना अपनी खुद की माँ को ना दे. इतना ज्यादा
हाँ, तेरी भी
benefit
तो
अब्बास.
माँ है, तू क्यों नहीं बना और sensitive अब्बास?
Wow.
और गर्लफ्रेंड है और बीवी.
नहीं है.
बीवी नहीं है. Wow, that was a very BV number one asked question.
That's me. About that staircase scene, but because I basically one scene breakdown that Karan had done, which I thought was Karan, so you. कि उस दिन ऐसा ही कुछ कि धर्मा की तो प्रॉब्लम्स भी अलग होती है ना, कि हम जब कि you know अनुराग कश्यप of the world का प्रोडक्शन इश्यूज आर डिफरेंट. उनका कुछ
Yeah.
कोई पर्टिकुलर ही पार्क पे उनको शूट
हाँ,
करना है जो पर मिनट, और उस टाइम पर घंटे के हिसाब से लोकेशन मिलती थी.
Oh.
हाउ इंटरेस्टिंग. तो बहुत कि सन जा रहा है, ये जा रहा है, वो दे हैव टू शूट इट, एंड Karan on the day having a meltdown because he was in, and that scene they also wanted to make eventual posters for it because that to him was like the essence of कुछ कुछ होता है, the holding and holding.
Yeah.
And they had really overthought it, और कि उसने कि ये वाला scene everybody will talk, somehow nobody, people do but not like that. And his biggest meltdown was that he had told Manish that both the girls in this particular thing have to be in different colors. But दोनों ये पिंक में ही थे थोड़े, और वो करण को ऑन द डे पता चला था, और उसकी बहुत लड़ाई हुई थी कि नहीं, कि उसको वो कॉन्ट्रास्ट, कि वो फ्रेंड है और वो लवर है. मनीष बोला कि चल ठीक है, शूट का टाइम. So Karan thought this will be a huge, but nobody else cared or noticed
Yeah,
about
it's still
it.
an iconic image.
It's still an
Yeah,
iconic
yeah.
image. And it has the iconic Karan Johar bench,
Yes.
which is in lots of other
In
films.
fact,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what's funny. I did not know about this, and I thought it was purposely they had shown the colors की जो टीना ने पहना है
Rahul's got a
परफेक्ट
type.
शेड, जो टीना ने परफेक्ट शेड पहना है उसी का एक लाइटर शेड इसने पहना है अंजलि ने. एंड आई थॉट दैट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी लाइक यू नो सिंबॉलिक.
And I thought the symbolism, same but different, was this, that Tina is in this perfectly put lavender and she's in this tacky ass, like, you know, that she is
Yeah.
like Tina but wannabe, कि उससे हो नहीं रहा है. तभी शाहरुख इसके साथ.
It's like all the elements in the world aligned to make Karan Johar's first film a success.
Yeah, it's like Manish understood
weekday
the
work, yeah.
Manish
Got the
understood the
assignment.
assignment better. another fun fact. Okay, not fun fact. This is another observation. So did you notice that Anjali wanted to be Tina since the very beginning, and she kind of manages to do that in her scenes with Salman. I feel like she sounds a lot like Tina in her scenes with Salman, like the way वो शर्मा रही है, ऐसे मतलब funny jibes कर रही है. And with Shah Rukh, she's again Anjali, but with Salman, she's very Tina. I don't know what it is, because in her head maybe she thinks that this is the way you
this
get a
is
boy.
the wife. This is the
This
whole
is the
Madonna
wife.
mein. This is the wife or मैं उस time friend थी.
Yes, and which is why, like, when I saw that, when I noticed that for the first time, I'm like, bhai, she's acting like Tina, and that is when I realized ki, oh, this is, now I get why she could not have married Aman, because she was not being herself with him. She could only be herself with Shah Rukh. किसी भी और से वो शादी करती, she would have
Interesting.
brought in the Tina in her. But with Shah Rukh, she doesn't know how to be anybody else.
Interesting.
With Shah Rukh, she would only be herself.
But on that, yeah, interesting. But on that, doesn't it happen sometimes you meet your friends from way back, and
you
you
slip back
become
into, yeah.
those people? Like in
Yeah.
How I Met Your
Yeah.
Mother, they have that a term for it also. It's called revertigo. If
I
I'm
don't
not
remember.
Any How I Met
I've
Your Mother
forgotten
fans.
everything about
same,
How I Met Your
same,
Mother,
same.
yeah.
But I think it's called revertigo because you get stuck in that time capsule which you were with them.
Yeah.
But yeah, also this that she had a certain behavior for BV and a certain behavior for like her bro.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Aman, played by Salman Khan. Wasn't revealed that Salman Khan is in the film. It was a secret, and everybody went ape shit in the.
I can't even imagine.
The first day the film released, I remember the news was out that Salman is in the movie. People didn't believe it, and then went to the movie to check it out, and he actually was in the movie.
You remember this though?
I do remember that Salman was
they
not.
genuinely
Hall
went
mein
ape
dekhiye.
shit. Oh,
Yeah,
wow,
they went.
nice.
They didn't believe that Salman is in
Yeah.
the movie because he's completely not in any
And
of
how
the
fun that
marketing.
time when a
Yeah.
cameo was a secret.
Yes.
Like, let me go. I would just get so annoyed when sometimes they thank the cameos in the beginning. I'm like, मुझे क्यों बताया?
Exactly.
मुझे just do it in the end.
Yeah.
And now तो उनका पेपर नहीं साइन हुआ है मेरे पास भेज दिया है विरल बयानी ने. I'm like, I don't want this. Let it be a secret.
Yeah.
तुम कुछ कह रही थी.
Yeah, about
But
Aman.
with Aman, okay, so this is one.
Again, this is like one of the Salman handing over the woman to the other man cinematic universe.
Again, like all the time. And my problem.
All the time.
My problem, okay, see, when we watch movies like कुछ कुछ होता है, बचना है सीनो, हम दिल दे चुके सनम, और just many ऐसे love triangle वाली stories, we love these films because हम सोच रहे कि हम अंजलि नहीं तो राहुल,
हाँ, exactly,
है ना?
yeah.
मैं सोच रही मैं अमन है, मैं हर मूवी में सोच रही हूँ मैं अमन है, मैं बचना है सुनो में मैं सोच रही मैं मिनीशा लांबा है, ये पक्का मेरे को छोड़ के जाएगा अपनी दोस्त के लिए, पक्का. I don't know, मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी हुआ भी नहीं है. I don't know why I feel
Don't
like
put that out in the universe, but okay.
touch wood, लाखुड
Because
touch.
a man does not get a woman. Oh, is there something?
What?
Aman, she
A
meant.
man does not.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
That's, yeah. So
Malhona ho mein Aman
Also doesn't get the woman.
मर गया. He said that very casually.
does not to validate my pun, my joke.
Aman मर गया.
Which I though actually don't watch till then, but anyway.
Yeah,
आगे बताओ.
but anyway, I always think of myself from Aman's perspective कि भाई वो लड़के ने क्या किया है, उसके साथ इतना बुरा क्यों हो रहा है? Because again, like Tina also, this guy also is very empathetic. उसको भी समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है. He also knows that Anjali is not completely with him.
Yeah.
So now over here, I really I wanted to understand the dynamic between the two. इनका arranged marriage है,
Same.
love marriage है. मुझे समझ ही
Same.
नहीं आ रहा है because the way they are behaving with each other in the first scene, I think that इनका love marriage है. But then later on, I feel like I get a feel that
Yeah,
I
I
hope this
feel-
is not a love marriage because then it is a very big problem.
I get the vibe of arranged marriage from
I
that.
think-
thought because yeah, they agree. They behave arranged, but it should be a
Also,
love.
Kajol's mother is very
That's
fond of
what.
him. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it is a love marriage because I think it's a love marriage because Kajol's mother tells him that, babe, you don't gotta compromise. Just fucking wrap this. I'm not forcing you to you don't have to
Yeah,
marry him.
she said it in exactly those words.
Yeah.
Babe,
Verbatim.
you don't gotta.
Yeah.
You gotta wrap this.
Rima
I
Lagu.
don't-
Yeah.
R.I.P.
Rap
our queen.
universe, yeah.
So so I don't think that it is an arranged marriage because she has not arranged it clearly. She's all like, क्यों करनी है नहीं करनी है अरे. Also, the mom-daughter moment, I think, was a good shift from the DDLJ Farah Khan
Right,
speech
yeah,
of कि
yeah.
औरत को सपने तो देखना allowed है,
लेकिन
पर वो
सच होने की
वो सच होने की
उम्मीद मत
शर्त नहीं
रखो,
रखे.
You said DDLJ Farah Khan speech.
DDLJ में फरीदा जलाल.
Farida Jalal, yeah.
Farida Jalal, that mother-daughter moment where she
Yeah,
says कि
yeah.
मैं चाहती थी तुम्हारे लिए सब, but I'm so sorry, I can't do
Yeah,
anything.
yeah.
Rima Lagu is like,
Yeah.
मेरी
Yeah, the
बच्ची.
parents in this film are very cool.
And all single,
That's-
that's why.
That's a very Miss Frigenza thing to say.
I love her. I am
And
her.
I stand.
बिल्कुल.
But I really like, मैं अमन के साइड से सोच रही थी पूरा फिल्म कि भाई इसके साथ तो बुरा ही हुआ है भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा हुआ है. And this also brings me to this very funny and very nice video from one of the reality shows where Karan Johar is like playing around and वो सलमान खान को बोलता है ऐसे ही मज़े में कुछ कुछ होता है सलमान तुम नहीं समझोगे. And then Salman very impromptu is like कुछ होता है मैं ही तो समझा था. And then we think that he's talking about his character. No. He goes on to clarify कि I mean so many actors had rejected that
That is
role.
true.
Then you he came crying to me
Yeah,
and I did
yeah.
it finally.
Yeah.
And Salman did it because of Karan's father's goodwill.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
his father, like, which is sweet, yaar. Nepotism, good side. The perks of nepotism.
Yeah, because it is so cool that Salman did it because I feel like he was so endearing in this role.
100%.
Yeah,
He was so
100%.
endearing. I was like, Aman, हाँ जब मैं कर लूँगी तुझसे शादी, no problem.
But I read, I think, some tweet about a while ago about justice for Aman and all. Because I'm like, bro, Aman ही तो बचा है इस पूरे सर्कस से. उसका ही सबसे ज्यादा judicial end उसका character है.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल उसको छोटी अंजू ने बोला, you deserve better. ये पागल है, तू निकल यहाँ से.
Yeah.
फिर शादी तक भी उसको लगा कि कर लेता हूँ. But then he was like, I don't need this. Look
Yeah.
at me. I'm Aman.
Good.
I don't think he needs justice. I think Aman's character arc I'm satisfied with. A bit much that in the end he is dancing at the wedding. Which I think that pushing of good virtue is a big thing.
Yeah.
He's dancing and I think in my head I think maybe mentally ना उसको कुछ summer camp में ही पता चल गया था ये नहीं होने वाला है. He was mentally prepared.
But on this, you mentioned रहना है तेरे दिल में. Up until then, ये जो love triangle type की चीज होती तो यही होता था कि सब मान जाते थे आपस में.
हाँ.
I remember that रहना है तेरे दिल में. I found it very cool where in the end Saif says that हम कभी
Yeah.
दोस्त नहीं हो सकते.
Yeah.
सोचना. Yes,
Yeah.
he
Yes.
took your chick. Move away.
Yes. And
Yeah.
in fact वो तो arranged marriage भी था.
वो तो arranged marriage.
वो
भी
तो
था.
arranged marriage था.
Yeah.
And I was like Saif Ali Khan, yeah, I get it. Like you would be like, fine, you go whatever you want,
Yeah.
but never show me your
Yeah.
face again.
And
That's how
Salman
I
is
would
all-
also be like. Like
Sad.
I won't forcefully take the guy with me. I'd be like, हाँ चल जा.
हाँ.
माचो दाचो whatever.
बिल्कुल,
I would be like, but I would be like, don't show me your face again. Both of you guys. रास्ते में दिख गया ना गाड़ी चला दूंगी तुम पे.
So speaking of Salman.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Why,
राहुल की भी
guys?
बात हुई है कोई पर यार.
देखो मैंने बता देखो राहुल एक थोड़ा सा
तेरा favorite because
हाँ
you
थोड़ा
see
सा
him
बचकाना
fuckboy
सा
101.
बच्चा
Rahul,
था
sorry,
वो.
before we talk about Rahul, I just want to wrap this one point
Yeah.
up very quickly. It's a very good thing that you see this movie from two women's perspective.
No, I'm
Good
seeing
one.
it now from two women's perspective.
Female gaze, and I'm like, not female gaze exactly, but
Yeah.
then I was like, ठीक है, this is the closest a man can, Indian man can get to writing from a woman's perspective.
And also that dude
But where
Karan
is
Johar,
the-
like he's 26 years old at the time. You know,
Right.
like it's quite incredible.
Yeah, and
what he has
dude,
kind of.
you like we keep talking about cinema from that era and वो time से देखो वो time पे कैसी फिल्में बन रही थी मेहंदी बन रही थी वो
I
time
know,
पे
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So
Nothing
उस-
like कुछ होता
What
है.
were the
उस हिसाब
other
से-
movies in the year?
In 98, so Kuch Kuch Hota was the highest grossing film of 98. Here are the other four from 2 to 5. Number 2, second highest grossing film of 1998 was Soldier.
Oh,
Bobby
Meethi
Deol.
Baatein
हाँ,
Bolkar,
Meethi Baatein
yes.
Bolkar, Abbas Mastan.
Preeti debut.
Number 3 was an Anis Bazmi film called Pyar To Ho Nahi Tha.
I love that film.
Yes.
Which is an absolute scene by scene copy of The French Kiss, by the way. It's a Meg Ryan film. I don't remember
और
the
उसमें
guy.
फ्रेंच किसी नहीं है
और पर मतलब हर एक scene पर इसमें अजय और काजोल
But
है.
it has Remo Fernandez going, Pyar To.
And Jasmine Narula.
Yes.
Yeah.
Number 4 was Bade Miyan Chote Miyan from David Dhawal.
Iconic! What a great
And
year, yaar.
number 5 is I think another Salman film called Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya. So Salman had a pretty good year, but you're right. All these films, Soldier, Pyar To Ho Nahi Tha, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, were all like
प्यार क्या तो
seemed
डरना
like
क्या
dated
a
films.
movie in which Salman gets Kajol. And by the way, I thought there was also a reference of प्यार क्या तो डरना क्या and कुछ कुछ होता है. Where he's like ये summer camp है कि तबेला, because that is what his life was in
Oh,
प्यार
yeah.
किया तो डरना क्या. I don't know. Maybe मैं बहुत ज्यादा देख
What
रही
else
हूँ.
is the podcast for?
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely. The number 6
Exactly.
is Dil Se, which is an interesting film to
So
discuss maybe on a
if you
later
think
date,
about it, जिस तरह के movies बन रहे थे, जिस तरह के love triangles भी हमने देखे हुए थे, it was very refreshing to see that we see two women and one guy in the film, and these two women are not even fighting for him.
Yeah.
So that was very refreshing to see. Like if
Unlike
you
your
think
favorite
about it.
film, Urjita.
Which one?
The film you quote the most on this podcast. Love Triangle, iconic love triangle. You've quoted multiple times. Come on, don't.
Come on, Urjita.
Come on, Urjita.
रहना है तेरे दिल में नहीं.
No.
Then which film do I?
Dhadkan.
Oh fuck! Really? Do I quote it that many times?
Yes.
It's part of who you are.
Sunil Shetty, Shilpa Shetty, and who's the third guy?
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar,
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, wow.
So very unlike Dhadkan. Kuch hota hai.
Yes. Also, I think we'll get to Abbas's point, but I think when you mention all these films, yes, we were seeing love stories and all, but I think that youthful factor was a big on this.
Yes.
And
Yes.
young people, which I think already started with DDLJ, that young people love
Yeah,
story.
yeah, yeah.
पर उसमें था कि हमें बाप को मनाना है क्योंकि हम इंडियन है. यहाँ पे कि इन्हीं की lives में हो रहा है ये, was I think also
And
the
parents are somewhere in the
That's what, that the
background.
parents
Yeah,
are
yeah,
supporting act.
Yeah.
तो उनसे नहीं लड़ रहे हो, उनको नहीं मना रहे हो.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I think again for our generation it's that check mark, right? DDLJ कुछ होता है, कभी खुशी कभी गम दिल चाहता है. Like कभी खुशी कभी गम, of course it's a slightly separate animal, but then it culminates with दिल
Yes,
चाहता है,
yes,
where you're
yes.
like, okay, now this is going to be the.
Now we are cool now.
Now we're cool, yeah. No more cheesy, cringy stuff. Now we're just,
No need to wear this necklace anymore.
Yeah.
Now you can just be cool.
Yeah, no more ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे. We in a Merc we go to Goa. Yeah, we play bass guitar
Yes.
whenever we have a
वो
sad.
cool necklace का quite luxury हो गया.
हाँ,
If you're wearing it, you ain't
subtle.
it.
Yeah.
Subtle.
So this is what I want to get to. Before that, you want to talk about Mrs. Braganza, Archana Puran Singh in her iconic
Archana
avatar.
Puran Singh, where is she? Oh my
Laughing
God.
at Kapil's
Miss
show.
Braganza, aha. और वो पिक्चर में जब मल्होत्रा से हम वापस मिलते हैं तो यही है इम्प्लाइड कि उसकी जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं है. पर फाइनली जब वो शादी कर रहे होते हैं, गुड ऑन करण, सब कैरेक्टर्स आते हैं, तो ब्रिगांजा इज कम फॉर 1 second
Yeah.
doing a little shimmy, so they are still together, fucking
Kind of, yeah, I was like,
living
what's up?
together. Sweet, whatever it is, I'm here for it.
Yeah, and Miss.
Malhotra.
Oh wow! I love how you said it. Very nice.
No, but
Dude.
Anupam Kher also, when he's talking to her on the phone on the bed, and Miss Braganza. And
True
then
love,
his-
that's what I
his
want.
feet go like this while
Yeah.
talking.
That's what I want.
मर्द अपनी पसंदीदा औरत के साथ.
It's literally just that.
Dude, and Anupam Kher and Archana Puran Singh. Them in मोहब्बतें, them in this film. और कोई फिल्म है जिसमें
That's the cinematic
I think
universe
दो
we are
दो
Yeah, we
फिल्में
should go
किया है.
for. I mean, I'm sure there are more.
एक
but
और हमें
those-
नहीं आ रहा ध्यान,
हाँ,
but
Like
हाँ.
we
those
don't
are
we don't
iconic
get to see more of these quirky
Older.
female characters
Yeah.
who are like, you know, side characters, but they are there, and we get to see so many of these male characters. Like
Yeah.
there's Johnny Lever, Anupam Kher,
Also in
Satish
this,
Kaushik, so
Almeida.
many late Satish Kaushik, and also
अंग्रेज चले गए,
Almeida.
Almeida
yeah,
छोड़ गए.
like we don't get a lot of Archana Puran Singh, so I think we must appreciate her.
We
while
must
she
appreciate her.
stays.
She's looking so hot. She's bringing that joy and lightness of life that Malhotra
Yeah.
needs. She
Yeah.
has a fun accent, and you know, Archana Puran Singh also that manifestation of that English teacher you
Yes.
love.
Yes.
You know that English teacher character.
Exact
कि
same
उस-
representation,
कि
dude.
उसकी क्लास में तुम कर सकते हो प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें,
हाँ.
और वो है थोड़ी हॉट क्योंकि उसने लिटरेचर पढ़ा है, उसका दिमाग थोड़ा खुला
राहुल
हुआ है.
सीटी भी मार सकता है उनपे और वो शर्मा भी
Flirtatious.
Yeah.
Flirtatious.
Dude, also how
Anyone?
old?
Anyone? No
No
one.
one. Wrong. Actually, तुम बताओ प्यार
wow.
क्या है?
I love her. And also, how old was Archana Puran Singh during
At
this
that
film? I'm
point?
guessing not that old,
I don't know
right?
how old she is right now. She's like bah. She's ageless.
Yeah, she's aged
She-
quite. Literally, she's
yeah,
ageless,
because
yeah.
like the way they are like also trying to show कि Anupam Kher and her are the same age and they are old, which is like no, come on,
I don't
Archana
think
is
they're
not
the same
old.
age, but I like that it's not really that you can tell that Archana's obviously younger.
Yeah.
Also, Anupam Kher also is not very old at this point. It's just that he was given, he lost hair at a very early age, so he was given father roles.
Again, point of relatability
Yeah,
for Abbas,
exactly.
as you
I
can
was
see.
like, guys-
कुछ होता है actually Abbas's biography.
तो अगर ये
I'm actually Malhotra, guys. I was hiding behind Rahul's cutout,
wow.
but it's actually Malhotra.
Nice.
मल्होत्रा क्या कर रहे हो आप?
Mr. Ganja.
What are you doing? और वो ही, what he?
Firoz, cut your hair. Jealous.
Jealous. Gems.
Jealous.
Um,
Yeah.
Okay, we have to go to the categories, but so in summation, why do you think Kuch Kuch Hota Hai when it came, it was such? I mean, we touched upon it a little bit,
I want
but
to
what
talk
do you
about
think?
the
is
gazebo scene.
What was the gazebo
The
scene?
gazebo scene where they do the original ASMR, yaar, no music.
Oh, ting 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 ting. I was
Was that
thinking about
not
that.
important to you?
It is iconic. It is a
too
romantic.
good.
Yeah.
It's a true romance-like sex, and the kind of sex that
Yeah,
Shah Rukh and
without
Kajol
having
do,
sex.
which is without
Exactly.
having the sex.
Yes.
And yeah, I thought it was really like sensual and so well done. And that Gilapan and Barish and all
In
of
more
that.
ways than one,
And
yeah.
it's in more ways than one.
I like
And
how you
when
totally ignored
I
that.
repeated it. When I rewatched it,
Yeah.
this reading too much into it.
Yeah.
I thought it was a nice kind of extension from the dumb charades bit. कि वहाँ पे भी वो acting ही कर रहे थे और यहाँ पे भी अब वो बिना बात के एक दूसरे से प्यार करेंगे.
And then it culminates with the introduction of Aman, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
which by
very
the way,
cinematic.
dude, I would shit my pants. If I am running through a jungle after kind of getting it on with a guy in this अजीब समर कैंप जहाँ पे क्या काम है अंजलि का जो वो बीच में समर कैंप छोड़ के भी आ गई है वो आई है उसने क्या किया क्या इन सब के जॉब्स क्या है
Yeah.
शाहरुख भी क्या करता है जॉब्स में ऑन द जॉब थिंग आई वंस वॉच्ड ऑन सूरज भर जाता है इंटरव्यू
Yeah.
आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम लाफिंग आई लव हिम एंड ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट हम आपके है कौन और उसमें द फैक्ट दैट निशा क्या करती हो
हाँ,
computers
computers.
that was like it was unheard of at the time and they were so proud that they have given the girl one occupation.
Yes.
So this may be they're all clearly working.
Yeah.
What is their job?
Huh.
But imagine you're running through this like
Jungle.
jungle and then you've just kind of felt up this dude and this guy. I love you. I love you. I love you too. When that reveal happens, I have shat my pants. I'm not kidding. I shat my pants, then I've shat my pants this on rewatch. It was too much.
We should actually also talk about Sana Saeed, who
Oh yeah,
sort of
बच्ची की बात ही नहीं
हाँ,
की.
who's like kind of the anchor of the movie.
He's usually good one, Abbas. See, there's too much happening here. There's too much. It's endless.
Did not want to have like a stratospheric career, like which at
Which
that
most
point.
child actors, no?
But I think in the 90s there was this thing, na, then suddenly if a child actor does well in the movies, they were also in ads, they were also on TV.
I think she was
Then
also
suddenly
in
there was this
Complan
thing.
and all के ads. I think she
I think so, yeah.
But I
But that
think
was
that-
Aisha Takia, right?
Yeah,
I
Aisha
but I
Takia
think-
was in
Complan के
But I
और
think like as
ambassadors
an
नहीं हो
adult when
सकते.
Sana Saeed became
Yeah.
so she's been in the VJ reality show
Correct.
circle.
And I remember there was an interview of her during a making of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai where she said that she enjoyed hanging out with Rani the most. And because Shah Rukh and Kajol would like be so busy that she didn't get much time to hang out with them, but her favorite was Rani on
Cute,
set.
cute.
Also, there's this story, I think Karan himself said this on Coffee with Karan, that they were shooting in Mehboob studio. Some scene from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
I remember that.
And then Yash Johar is outside the gate, and apparently Sanjay Dutt is passing
Oh,
by,
yeah.
and Sanjay Dutt is like, Yash uncle, आप यहाँ? Then he's like, हाँ, बेटे ने इतना पैसा खर्च किया, मैं सड़क पे आ गया. So like,
Iconic. Even
So,
they
yeah,
said it
that
in
was
Coffee, both the girls in the Kajol
oh
Rani
yeah, in that episode, that's right. Yeah,
they
yeah.
were just like, that's
Yeah.
totally Yash uncle. Like only he can say it.
The
Yeah.
double feature for this episode is the Rani Kajol Coffee with Karan
Too
episode.
good, too good. Even though like apparently they didn't get along that well during
Oh,
the
really?
time.
During the shoot.
Yes.
During the shoot.
Yeah,
उनका
क्योंकि वो
बनता
थोड़ा
नहीं था.
competition type feel
I
हो
think
रहा
that
होगा.
seniority junior वाला भी
Maybe.
vibe.
Yeah.
And also
और-
because they are from the same family,
Yeah.
तो ऐसा लगता है ना कि तू बड़ा आगे निकल
And
गया.
Kajol's never been famous for getting along with people in general. It wasn't a heroine.
Yeah.
Generally
Yeah,
उसको
yeah.
नहीं जमता तो ठीक है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Shah Rukh and Salman famously got along. Never any problem there.
कभी भी नहीं
So
सुना.
yeah,
Yeah,
कभी भी
yeah,
नहीं हुआ. So I was asking, why do you think Kuch Kuch Hota Hai's legacy has lasted so long? Because right now we talked about so many problems and things that probably have not aged well. What is it about the film?
I think the contribution to pop culture in language first of all because that is how you communicate. It's you can't cross that. Even abhi I can't any ये joke था तो I don't like jokes. I don't like
Yeah.
you. You can't not
Yes.
say it.
Yeah.
This Feroz thing you have said, everybody
Yeah.
knows what they are talking about.
Yeah.
Malhotra, Tare Ginna, this that there is so
Correct.
much in it. Just
तुसी जा रहे
verbal
हो,
joke.
तुसी ना
तुसी
जा
जा रहे हो,
जाओ.
तुसी ना जाओ.
ये आई थिंक पहली मूवी रहेगी पहली नहीं बट लाइक वन ऑफ द वेरी फ्यू बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स जिसमें राइटर्स का पैसा वसूल हुआ है एवरी
बिल्कुल.
ड्राफ्ट हैज बीन वसूलोफाइड बाय एवरी जनरेशन टू कम.
बहुत सारे ऐसे एक तो डायलॉग्स मुझे लगता है कि क्योंकि रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में यूज होते हैं वो वाला लेगेसी इट हैज लेफ्ट एंड दैट इट वाज कूल इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम यू सॉ लाइक दीज काइंड ऑफ आउटफिट्स 3 कैरेक्टर्स ड्रेस्ड डिफरेंटली यू नो दैट काइंड ऑफ वाइब उसका शी हैड अ कॉलेज लुक इन अ साड़ी लुक द फैशन आई थिंक इज लुकिंग quite cool and relevant still including the pink and orange outfit might I add. So I think that one the pop culture relevance which is very dialogue led for this film I
Right.
think.
Yeah.
I want to ask you something.
Also,
Yeah.
another thing that I noticed was like of all other college films that I have watched from that time, Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar and many other films,
Yeah.
अभी नाम याद नहीं आ रहे. Those college films, no, they looked like an extension of school. But this college film, it looked like a college film. Like, you know, college is for grown-ups.
Yeah.
जो होता
Hormones
वही
have
से
kicked
करना-
in, yeah.
Exactly. Like something that grown-ups could relate to. Like
Yeah.
9 to 5 job वाले भी वो देख के बोलेंगे अपना भी ऐसा ही था. You know, even though वैसा ही नहीं था. But like, you know, जो जीता वही सिकंदर was very much an extension of
Yeah,
school.
yeah.
But that was school, no? Model
हाँ, school था, model
high
school
something.
No, but it was the
Yeah.
11th, 12th. It was supposed to be like...
The college in Bombay, basically.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah.
I know what you're saying. College in the 90s was एक notebook होती थी हाथ में and like actors way
College,
older.
I think another that Waqt Hamara hai, that Akshay Kumar also has done a few college
Yeah.
movies.
Yeah.
College thriller, Deepak Tijori, all
Jani
these kind of
Dushman
guys.
also.
Yeah.
Jani Dushman
Jani
also. But that
Dushman
Waqt
also
Hamara
is.
type, I feel like in my head, that was the more quote-unquote realistic portrayal of college. Even the classes looked like classes. And then came Karan Johar, he was like, no.
Dude, we were
Yeah.
talking about in the Bazigar episode, the college that Shilpa Shetty and Kajol go to. You can see the paint peeling off and everything. I was like, yeah, they
Realism.
didn't give a shit.
Realism.
Yeah.
Realism.
That's true.
No, I was going to ask you, since you worked with Karan Priyam, and I think Karan, and this is also I think why he's such a good producer. He knows how to pick the people to work with, right? Like,
Yes.
like. So, like I said, Tarun Mansukhani, Manush Malhotra, all
Yeah.
that, they set the tone for what
Yeah.
Bollywood becomes for the next many years. Do you think it's also that maybe quote unquote cinematically kuch hota may not be that great, but the guy knows how to collaborate with people, which will
Yes,
make
one
this-
collaboration, but I think the second thing why, which we I think started with, is that that earnestness and the conviction in that. That all the things that don't work, he's also like, हाँ, they don't work, but end तक तुम हो उनकी stories में, तुम उनके character arcs में
Yeah.
हो invested. So I think at a storytelling level, which Karan Johar is great at, you may like him, not like him, it may be too long, too short, etc. But you are invested enough in their stories because nobody is seeming khokla. I
Okay.
think that is his good like contribution to it. Like everybody has a interesting character, so the characters I think stayed with me. Not so much ki acha because he put together a great team. Of course, anything is a team effort. This podcast is, but Karan, I think that characters on their own also are interesting. Is what works for me.
And also, do you think he's making the corrective measures still today when he makes a Student of the Year, when he makes a Rocky Rani? He's still being like, okay, I'm slightly messed these things up. When
I don't think so.
No?
I don't think we should put the pressure of being an apologist for कुछ कुछ होता है on Karan Johar. He's one of the biggest filmmakers of our time. हमें
Right.
बहुत कुछ उन्होंने दिया. हमारा
Right.
काफी कर्जा है उन पे.
Yeah.
उल्टा. But I feel like what a classic is like Student of the Year you mentioned. It Archie's ही है वो. Student of the Year 2 is Archie's, the Betty Veronica,
Right.
the new Archie's.
Yeah.
You know that giving that freshness to Karan. I don't think he's constantly doing it because I can do this better. I think he's living without the pressure of
Right,
betterment.
okay.
But you know that this is a trope that works. So no matter what year, it is like when people read literature,
Yeah.
your stories of human behavior are same. At different times, they will reflect differently and they will show differently.
Yeah,
So I
men
think
will
that's what-
always gravitate towards hot women. So
and men will always be.
I don't
men.
know why I pointed this side, Urjita.
I
Tu bhi
don't know
le le.
why. What?
Any more points you have, Urjita?
I actually have a quiz.
A quiz.
Oh yeah, fuck! I totally forgot.
I have a
Yes, your
Oh my god, I
quiz.
totally remember. I was
Yeah.
waiting for it. Even
Yes.
though I'm terrible at quiz, but I'm interested in
So you
Urjita's
know,
questions.
stop it. Girl. She has called me hot many times. I don't care about
It's
your
true.
hot.
Yeah.
It's okay.
But yeah, number one question. Okay, what colored lipstick is Rani wearing in Koi Mil Gaya, and is it matching with her dress?
I want to say yes, purple and yes.
I'm saying purple, but her dress is like silver.
No, it is purple.
purple,
only.
I'm right,
Yes.
Priya,
I
I got
can't
it.
believe
You
it.
got it,
Abbas
yeah.
got
Abbas.
it. Wow.
Abbas loves this.
I love this movie.
Abbas has come today as this
Okay.
sunflower.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Another question.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see who gets it.
Huh.
What all accessories is Rahul wearing in the song Koi Mil Gaya?
Cool necklace.
Rings.
A glove. Is he wearing a glove? He's wearing a glove.
He's not wearing a
I
glove.
have no idea. I'm just spitballing.
Accessories. आदमी लोग क्या पहनते हैं?
On his
Belt?
body. That's the clue. Entire body.
Oh.
Belt?
Accessory on his entire body.
Yeah, yeah.
Accessory क्या होती है?
Elements. You can say elements now, not accessories. They are
Now
not
you've
like.
changed the question 3 times. Rojita, bata de.
Okay, number one, knee pads. He's wearing knee pads.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's wearing knee pads for the one swish
Yeah,
that he
the
does.
slide.
And I was very surprised that why have they let him wear the knee pads for the entire song. I think maybe they
part
wanted
of the
that
look.
to be like a cool thing again.
Okay.
Manish was like, "Chal, nahi
Ah,
dekhte
dekhte na.
हाँ,
Correct.
that one
हाँ.
and fanny pack for some reason.
Oh yeah, fanny pack. That's true.
He's wearing a fanny pack.
fanny pack. यहाँ
नहीं
पे?
ऐसे
नहीं,
पेट पे
नहीं,
पहना
हाँ.
उसने.
Yeah.
Fanny
I
pack
was
is
very,
there.
I was like,
I
ये
remember.
क्यों पहना है आपने sir?
They're having a
it's
having a
look.
resurgence, by the way, fanny packs.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I also have one.
Why are they called fanny packs? By the way, this is very weird. Anyway,
Because
sorry.
I don't want to say it.
Yeah. What? There
I
what?
don't know.
But
It's stupid and not funny, so I don't want to say it. Yeah.
okay, so third question, very important question.
Yeah.
Would you choose Salman over Shah Rukh Khan? There's only one correct answer.
Yes. Yes. I
You
actually.
mean Aman over Rahul?
Aman over Rahul.
I
yeah.
actually do this joke on stage also where I do stand up, and this is one of those jokes that no matter what room I do it in, everybody laughs.
Really?
That basically I miss being stupid enough to enjoy a rom com because मैं अभी भी जब कुछ करोगे देखती हूँ मेरी चीख निकल आती है कि अंजलि जस्ट पिक अमन ये करण ये राहुल से बड़ा fuck boy कोई है ही नहीं, which is fully fact. You know what Anjali should have done?
What?
She should have been ये जवानी दीवानी की Aditi. Fall in love with somebody who's not giving you attention, fine. Have your whatever
Yeah.
college, love you, ये ले
Yeah.
ham and cheese, हाँ ठीक है. फिर जब वो नहीं दे रहा है भाव अपनी जिंदगी में निकलो.
Yeah.
Find a Kunal Roy Kapoor,
Yes.
the better Kapoor.
Yes.
Marry him, have a great ass wedding, call your ex your best friend and all that. Have a good, blessed, wholesome life. Don't be like this Anjali fucking sad case. I'm not about it.
So what's the correct answer? Aman.
Yes. Correct
Yes,
answer
the
is
correct
Aman.
answer is yes. Will you pick Aman over Rahul? Yes, you will.
Okay. Fair enough.
You would pick Rahul क्या?
Clearly,
I mean,
look at
my
him.
choices are Tina and Anjali. No, why am I
नहीं
picking?
नहीं, your
नहीं,
choices are
yeah,
also Aman
objectively,
and Shah Rukh.
between Aman and Rahul.
No, but Rahul is the more passionate one.
Oh, Abbas, passion, Abbas, passion.
अमन को भी साड़ी पहन के गुड्डू गुड्डू फील करना है.
साजन जी घर आए. We love it. Passion.
Yeah, there's history and there's like, there's
Oof.
emotions there.
I'm
So
getting. It's too much. It's too much.
Wow, so
Wow.
many emotions
Rahul's
for
got
the
a
first
Rahul,
time.
guys.
I did.
Wow.
I did not see this
Wow.
coming. I'm feeling so blessed.
Abbas would blush so much.
Would अभी देख इसको शक्ल देख इसकी.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, yeah,
Of
that's
course.
my
I mean, but
choice.
you would take back an old lover, even though तेरा life में आगे बढ़ चुका है, only because there's nostalgia and memory.
Not nostalgia. Nostalgia is very dry. It's like passion. Like, there's history there. There's way, there's
Yes, basketball matches are really hard to get
एक
over.
पुराना नाता है आपका उनके साथ,
अगर वो hot नहीं होंगे तो?
Doesn't matter.
Pre-post makeover. Thanks, Sunjita.
Oh wait, interesting question. So what if they were hot in college but are not hot now?
Yeah, what about it then?
Then no.
See?
Passion.
So
Passion या गार्ड मारने
basically अब्बास का everything is कि hot हो गया तो
हाँ.
आजा.
Post makeover आजा.
अब्बास से hot हो गया तो arrange marriage भी चलेगा.
What is this action that I'm doing in
This is
everything?
us enacting you. This is our impression of you.
Anyway, you got
This is my impression of anybody who is just very cool. I don't know why. I
This
do
is your impression of anybody who feels passionate like Abbas is feeling right now.
I just needed to point out this one scene. I don't know if he can patch it, वरना निकाल दे अगर flow नहीं बन रहा है तो कि I also cried during that one scene when Anjali is talking to Choti Anjali about Tina, and I found that very endearing. Like I get why they added the scene just to show that इनका आगे का relation भी अच्छा रहेगा. Like I love.
सौतेली अम्मा नहीं बनेंगी वो.
Exactly. So I also love how that little additional detail where you're seeing how you're seeing Tina through Anjali's lenses. Ki, oh my God,
Sweet.
I know we did not we could not get to build a friendship, but then I'm really proud of the daughter you have, and I get that whole sentiment. So I also felt thoda emotional during that scene, and I think
Okay.
it's just my luthier phasing. But
On
yeah.
that though, see, I feel like when generally we talk about happy endings in cinema, especially in love stories, you have to know that उन्होंने end कर दिया है वहाँ पे इसलिए वो happy ending है, happy
Yeah.
ending
Yeah,
नहीं
yeah,
है.
of course.
But in this one specifically, I feel like they are just stacking up for failure. I will, like those conversations about will Bunny and Naina last? I don't think so. Same. Well, Rahul and Anjali, no, because no, they have spent their entire 20s apart, formative time of your
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
You have not seen
But
one
in
summer
my-
romance.
in
Can I
my-
finish?
Yeah, sure.
In summer romance they have done,
Hmm.
which I mean, dude, you go to travel, you could fuck someone, it happens. Okay, तो ऐसे उसको इतनी पर्सनली लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिर वापस आते ही उनकी शादी हो गई है.
Yeah, like I think
हो
you should,
गई,
you
dude.
should live in the real world for some time before deciding.
Exactly. See that
yeah.
you're not 18 anymore. See what you're like when you're 28, 30, whatever.
Yeah.
And then if you want to get married, yeah, sure. But I think this कि चलो अब वापस आ गए. Actually उसकी हो रही थी. Even on that, this is nitpicking. जब सलमान लेके आता है उसको खींच के, ये राहुल जो वहाँ पे रो रहा है, इतना देखो प्यार है उससे, कोई मैन हैंडल कर रहा है तेरी बंदी को, तो ये चून नहीं निकल रही तेरी. I'm not. No.
And also the fact that dude राहुल का पूरा परिवार इसको जबरदस्ती कर रहा है. उसकी बच्ची, उसकी माँ इतना मैनिपुलेट करी है. देख मर्द बहुत कमजोर होते हैं बेटी. तेरे को क्या तू भैया तू चुप रहना यार, क्या कर रही है. फरीदा मैम लव यू वेरी मच, बट मैम के कैरेक्टर को ऐसा बुला रही. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, I think that was very much zabardasti on their part. I don't think she should have interfered in this dynamic, because then it
Rima
suddenly
Lagu.
becomes no
Farida
Farida.
Jalal.
Farida Jalal.
I feel it becomes if the mom is like pressurizing you, and I know a case like that where the mom pressurized the girl so much that she had to marry and it didn't end up in a nice way. So that is why I'm like, dude, parents should stay away from this dynamic, especially if you are the mom of the guy. Who like come on, this
Come
guy already
on.
has a मतलब dead wife, he has a child. Come on, she is fresh. उसको जाने दो यार अमन के साथ.
Okay, so usually we do what says the category called what says the best, what says the worst. I think you very comprehensively listed down. Do you want to like summarize that in one line? What says the best and what's not aged the
Dialogues
not aged so
aged
well?
very well.
Okay.
Fashion, I'm fully into. Underrated thing that is aged, I think, supremely well. Farah Khan, shout out the choreography.
That's true.
Oh,
All
yeah.
the songs,
Yeah.
the choreography is fresh.
Koi
it's
Mil Gaya
engaging.
step is still timeless. People still do it
Timeless.
at parties.
I think
Yeah.
these three things aged very well.
All right. And what do you think has not aged well?
The sexism. If what is that? If you don't deserve me at my worst, you don't get, like, if Rahul did not give you bhau when you were Bollywood unhot, you cannot take him away with not even thoda to resist. Ye kya hai? When you
Okay.
are now, fucking flourishing, have your summer camp job, whatever.
Fair
Seems
enough.
like you're doing good. So that has not aged well, the sexism of it.
You know what? I saw a clip of Hip Hip Hooray, the show that used to come on
Love
TV.
Hip Hip
I have
And
seen it,
in
yes.
Hip Hip Hooray, they are talking about कौन सी पिक्चर देखने गए थे कुछ कुछ होता है, and then two female characters are pointing
Yes.
out in Hip Hip Hooray के कितनी रिग्रेसिव फिल्म है यार. जब वो टॉम बॉय बन रही है तो उसको कोई भाव नहीं देता, और जब वो साड़ी पहन रही है तो suddenly she's become attractive, and I was like, for Hip Hip Hooray.
Yes,
Yeah.
Hip Hip Hooray, wo to tha hi show.
Yes,
Has
I've
Hip Hip
seen
Hooray
it,
aged
yeah.
well? Yes.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's very weird how I have watched Hip Hip Hooray as an adult in college. I randomly discovered it on YouTube,
Oh my
and I
God.
started watching it. I have watched the entire show.
It's too good.
It's very good, and I have seen this very
Yeah,
episode
yeah.
too. But yeah, great, you remember.
Yeah, I know. I
nice.
just saw it. Ojita, for you, what is the best, what's not
What's
is
aged the best? I think the attempt towards writing a female gaze, I think that perspective has aged
Okay,
the best,
okay.
I think, for me. Because I think for women during that time, I think it must be a revelation, I'm guessing. So
Clearly Hip Hip Hooray
clearly
talks with otherwise, but sure.
exactly. So I think for me that has aged the best.
Okay.
And what has aged the worst, I think the sexism only, man. Like that whole point ki bhai mera ye hai ki Kajol ka ugly dikha and then see if he comes back to her. That's my
Okay.
whole point. Yeah.
Okay, for me, see what says the best. Guys, see
He's
the thing
rubbing
is...
his belly.
It's the passion.
See, very briefly, I'll try and summarize what I went through my head.
Seated.
आई थिंक राहुल को बहुत बैश किया गया है इस एपिसोड पे. मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि राहुल एज अ कैरेक्टर इन दिस फिल्म, ही लर्न्स थिंग्स. लाइक व्हेन ही इज़ यंग, ही इज़ वेरी इमेच्योर एंड he does not reciprocate the feelings of his best friend, but over the years he learns things and he goes back and he's passionate and he wants to love her back, so he gets her. Okay, so what's aged the best is, like I said, that nothing like this had been seen on Indian screens before, so it changed the syntax and the language of Hindi cinema. And like I said, I think Karan Johar's cinema has influenced everything that has, in mainstream Hindi cinema, has influenced everything that has come since. So we are still living in the world of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, in the sense. जैसे वो कहते हैं ना कि
Friendship band it introduced.
everything, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like they say कि J.R.R. Tolkien wrote Lord of the Rings and fantasy is still living in that world. I think our Lord of the Rings is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
And that is your promo.
And what hasn't aged well for me is, I've completely agree with all the points that you both these women have made
अरे
on this
डरिए
panel.
मत, हम दोस्त ही
They're
हैं।
very
Safe
valid.
space है ये.
नहीं मैं agree कर रहा हूँ. So those things have not real. But in my thing is like the film works despite that.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can agree with that fully.
Yeah,
Fully.
so
That is
that's
26 years later, we are still talking about it. It's still not a bad watch. It's
Yeah.
just not aged.
I just
great.
feel like again this may be the nostalgia speaking, but for my generation, for the millennials, this film is such a cornerstone of our
Yes.
existence that it's hard for me to be like it hasn't aged well because then I'm taking away the agency of that film. So that if you had to program a double feature with Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, which film would you program?
I think I would program. I think Ek Main Aur Ek Tu
Oh,
would be a nice
interesting.
double feature
Yeah.
because I think there is just not enough representation of straight people just being
friends. True.
on screen.
Yeah.
Even though there is enough representation in real life, and also they do it well. That's number one. That they don't end up together, which is great. A better Ek Main Aur Ek Tu would be कि वो वाला भी ना हो कि दोनों को नहीं प्यार. Ek Main Aur Ek Tu kind of
हाँ.
ends at
Yeah.
spoiler, but you
Nah,
know
हाँ, and
that Imran is still kind of
Kind
into
of
it,
into
and
her,
Karina's
yeah,
like,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
let's try this friendship thing. It's
Yes.
great. But I think Ek Main Aur Tu would be a great double feature with
That's a
Kuch
great
Kuch because
choice.
it's a great like
Yeah.
BFFs. It's not a friends to lovers trope.
Correct.
It's a hey, two interesting people meet and look at us having an amazing friendship that will add value to each other's life
Nice.
forever.
Nice.
Yeah.
Rujita?
Yeah, I think double feature. I was thinking Karan Arjun.
ये कहाँ से आया? I want to hear this.
I think my thing was Karan Arjun or any movie that you look at the film and you are like, कि हाँ फिर कुछ कुछ होता है better ही है.
ठाकुर दुर्जन सिंह.
सोया था.
I
Karan
think
Arjun
it's
is
great.
यार.
It's great. It's great. It's a very good film, but then it's still a product of its time.
Yeah.
If you look at Karan Arjun, I mean the kind of conflict that Karan
That's
Arjun.
actually very like that's like has it aged well in a nutshell. That how Kuch Kuch Hota Hai aged much better than Karan Arjun.
Because honestly, like I don't think you can appreciate the beauty of movies like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai until you know what kind of movies were playing during the time.
Thakur Durjan Singh.
So that is why I think it's
Nice.
important Karan Arjun, and also because Shah Rukh Salman. So
And great bangers peppered throughout the
Also
film. Best
Kajol.
genre.
yeah,
Also
yeah.
Kajol.
Yeah, also
Mamta
Kajol, yeah.
Discovering boobs for the first time. We love it.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
love it.
छत पे सोया था बहनोई मैं तने समझ के
के
सो
सो
गई.
गई.
मुझको राणा जी माफ करना गलती मारे से हो गई.
Using magic words, saying sorry. We love her.
Yeah, also something that Miss Briganza would write in her free time. Maybe this is what Hindi literature is about.
I like it.
Okay, I have
Yeah.
two choices. If you want to see how 90s films changed everything, you watch Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge and
Dul
Kuch
Dul
Kuch
Dul
Hota
Dul
Hai.
Did you say Dil Dhadakne? No, what's
No,
happening?
Dil Dhadakne was much later. 3 years apart,
Cool.
but they change everything that
Yes.
comes after. Or I think if you want to see the evolution of Karan Johar in the three years time, it's from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai to Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. Now agreed, you'll have to take 7.5 hours out of your
It's a
day
full
to
day.
watch
Yeah.
those two films. But those two are like I think the
Good one.
cornerstones of what became Hindi cinema.
Good
So finally, Priyam, on a rating scale of 1 to 10, on a Has It Aged Well scale of 1 to 10, if you had to rate and remember Karan's watching this, so if you had to
ये
rate
जो
Kuch Kuch
धमकी दी है
Hota
ना ये ठाकुर
Karan,
दुर्जन
you
सिंह
know I love
ने.
you. No, I think
So how much
has
is
it
it?
aged like Karan Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, great movie. Has it aged well? For me, I was very surprised to find. Not really. I think I
Okay.
will give it a solid 7.
7.
A 7.
Not
a 7.
bad.
7.
Okay.
Yeah, not bad. I can't hate it. Like for all the reasons you listed, it's not aged amazingly
Yeah,
as I
yeah,
have
yeah. Of
concluded.
course, of
Yeah.
course.
So like a 7.
Urjita, for you?
And also it is very I mean it's impossible for us to expect this from a 26-year-old film to like
Also that.
Yeah.
How
also
long
that.
it has been?
yeah मेरी उम्र की है ना exact
Damn.
same.
Oh yeah.
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 So but it has I think I'll also go for a 6.5.
Abbas.
Okay, guys.
Abbas, on a scale of 1 to 10. Do you think Kuch Kuch Hota Hai has aged well? What would be your rating?
My
Lamba
rating is a
lamba
9.5. guys. Listen, everything about this film is iconic. Even the scene where Anjali, the baby Anjali, has to go and talk extempore on a topic, and she gets that ma topic. Dude, what a scene!
What a
Yeah,
scene.
Right?
very good scene.
Shahrukh riles up the entire thing, and like small things like when Tina is singing Raghupati Raghav, the cuts to Anjali's expression.
And also Raghupati Raghav.
Yes, yes.
Sitaram.
I mean, this film is so iconic. We didn't even talk
We
about
didn't even
Himani
get-
Shivpuri's Rifat B.
But we love her.
And Johnny Lever's Almeida. There's so many small things. Everything about this film is iconic. Again, I can't be objective about this film because I'm a millennial. I grew up with this film. My sister was a Shah Rukh Bhakt and I repeatedly watched this film. So there are like very tactile memories associated with this film. So, but for all the feedback you both of you gave, I take it, which is why I've taken off the 9.5.
0.5.
Otherwise, I was going to give it a 10 on 10. But I was like, okay, fair enough. Both of you have made some very valid points.
Yeah.
But yeah, 7, 6.5 and 9.5. Very rare that Urjita gives a film less than I have given.
And even more rarer that Abbas likes the film so much.
Yeah, Abbas is like curled up ki,
Because
oh,
he's
yeah.
passionate.
Yeah, Abbas की जो ऐसे ये knees है ना यहाँ पे ठीक है हो गई
He
इतनी
needs the
बार.
Shah Rukh knee pads now.
Yeah, nice.
Everybody,
But-
please. I think there's a drinking game in this episode.
Yeah.
Every time you say passion, I think.
Hey,
we
I
should take a
haven't said it
shot.
so many
Yeah,
times. Come on,
yeah.
guys. But yeah, we have to do the alternate ending segment very quickly. So let's do it now. This is the alternate ending segment where we suggest an ending other than the way the film ended, or we pitch a sequel. There's a very interesting alternate reading of the film that a friend of the show, Karan Mirchandani, has done, where he
Oh, yeah.
where he
Yes.
talks about it as a murder mystery. So the link for that will be in the description. Please check that out.
Sorry,
But-
I have to give a shout out to Karan
Yes,
Mirchandani
yes.
because on the Coffee with Karan episode that I was working on the
Yes.
Rani and Kajol one, kuch hota hai.
Haan.
I reached out to him. He had sent in a video. It's also there. Please watch it.
Yes.
One Karan Mirchandani joke point that I really liked, that they should come up with a dating app for parents called Anjali. So then people can use it to find like other widowers and all, which I thought was iconic.
Great.
Please
But
say.
Urjita, do you have an alternate ending?
I do.
Yes.
In my alternate ending, it's more like Shah Rukh, and it's not an alternate ending. It's more like an extension of the film. So Shah Rukh and Anjali, Aman
Ra-
and
Ra- oh, Aman and
Rahul,
Anjali.
Rahul and Anjali, they get married the way they do in the
Okay.
end. वो घर वर जाते हैं, उनका actual life चालू होता है, and then suddenly within a few days, Anjali dies mysteriously. Anjali goes to heaven and she's like, how did I die? And then Tina is like, तुमने काम किया? And she's like, क्या काम किया? चिट्ठियाँ लिखी. And she's like, what do you mean by that? And then she breaks the fourth wall. Tina breaks the fourth wall and goes, bitch, Rahul also had a school life. He also had a school bestie. And cut to Raghupati Raghav Rajara. So
Wait, I didn't get it.
Anjali,
Wh-
so
which Anjali has died?
Anjali, no,
the
no.
older Anjali.
No. Okay.
Basically, Tina ने चिट्ठी लिखी थी नई अंजलि के लिए.
Yes,
काजोल के लिए.
अंजलि चिट्ठी
और फिर
लिखेगी.
अंजलि भी कट जाती है. फिर
Yes.
कहती है कि तूने अगला have you passed on the baton or not?
Yes, so-
Because that is how much convenience Rahul needs
Yes.
for him to land a chick.
Anjali basically has to write another set of 8 or like 10 letters for the 10, but actually in fact letters reduce होंगे because Rahul की भी उम्र निकलती जा रही है, तो 2 letters में भी, तो she will also
और वो
write more
बच्ची छोटी
letters.
अंजलि भी बड़ी हो गई तो उसका भी attention span थोड़ा कम है. She's
Exactly.
also teenage angst में उसको नहीं करना है ये सब.
exactly. So then she has written all these letters for the existing Anjali only. उतना तो टाइम भी नहीं मिला न्यू बच्चा पैदा करने का. तो ये अंजलि को उसने लेटर्स लिखे कि अभी इसके स्कूल में जा, इसकी स्कूल क्रश को ढूंढ के ला, क्योंकि अगेन लाइक आई सेड राहुल के पास टाइम नहीं है, राहुल बहुत बिजी आदमी है, तो
पर राहुल के पास पैशन बहुत है.
पैशन बहुत है.
मेरे
एग्जैक्टली.
पास
बताएं.
सीक्वल आइडिया है.
Tell.
दो आइडिया. एक तो ये कि वी सी टीना's ghost at the end of the film. So one is, of course, it becomes completely horror film where Tina's ghost is haunting because now the ghost cannot see them happy. Like, fuck, I fucked up.
Oh, shit.
I should never have gotten back to Anjali. The other is, the sequel idea is, and this probably they can make it today also, with Sana Said and Shah Rukh Khan. That now Sana is a teenager or she's in college and Rahul is the father. And now young Anjali has feelings for a guy and the guy is not reciprocating the feelings.
Oh,
So Rahul is like,
interesting.
man, been there, done that. How can I navigate, help my daughter navigate this whole thing?
Her love life.
Her love life, yeah.
It's like Dear Zindagi
Dear
family
Zindagi, yes.
edition.
Yeah.
We love it.
It's
Nice.
like, yeah. That was my sequel idea. Do you have an alternate ending? Or
I
a
don't think I have an
sequel idea?
alternate ending, but there's a spin-off I'm very interested
Okay.
in. I'm happy to put in some money if anybody's making.
Yeah.
Where is the Miss Braganza spin-off?
Of
What's
course,
up
I
with Miss
agree.
Braganza? What was her life
Yeah.
Maybe she has a YouTube channel, who knows?
Yeah.
I think Miss Braganza is an enterprising woman. She has done
Yeah.
something cool. I want to watch what she did.
No, Miss Braganza got very famous for her laughter. So then a laughter show signed her on as a judge. And it's like, Miss Braganza, you just need to sit and laugh.
Because honestly, that also sounds like a job Miss Braganza
Braganza
would
would
happily
do,
take
yeah.
up.
Absolutely. And kill at. And
Yeah.
Kill at, yes.
Yeah. And finally, did not mention this, but the title song of Kuch Kuch Hota has become the iconic sting of Dharma Productions. Every time you see the Dharma logo, the song is playing in the background. But that was Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. What else do we say? There's so much to talk about. One of the most iconic films of all time. Priyam, thank you so much for finally the recording has happened, and
Yes,
this was delayed thrice before the recording could happen. So thank you so much for taking time out and being here. Goddess R is amazing. Just tell us in brief about what it is, where it is, where can people find it. You were in the papers because of Goddess R.
Global domination, I can't help it. First of all, shout out to Amrita and Shalini, who are two people who came to Goddess R after hearing this podcast.
Amazing.
So thank you.
Amrita and Shalini come for my live shows also, man.
Amrita and Shalini also
What
come
are you
for
doing? Yeah.
Amrita's live
Yeah.
shows.
Amrita and Shalini just hang out with me. Yeah, sorry.
He's passionate, as you know.
Yeah, I mean,
Goddess R
Yes.
is this really fun thing that I do. It's literally a safe space where you can come and we dance to some Bollywood bangers. It happens every Saturday, 1:30 p.m. mostly in Andheri West. You should follow @Goddess R Inc. on Instagram and @Priyam Saha if you're interested in me at all. And yeah, come for class. We'll meet and we will just do some sexy dancing and feel like a goddess. It's open to everybody. Girls, gays, days. You're all welcome. It's not a gender thing.
Did you say girls, gays, days?
Girls, gays, and the days.
Yeah.
The
The
girls,
days.
the
Okay,
gays, the
sorry.
days.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all right. Got
See
it.
you in Goddess R, and yeah, that's all. But there's an Amazon Prime show that will release when it does.
All right, cool. Urjita, where can people find you?
you guys can follow me on Instagram @Urjitavani and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which goes by the same handle. And come for my live shows, guys. I'm touring. I'm coming to Delhi in the first weekend of August, and I'm also coming to Gujarat, that is Vadodara and Ahmedabad. So please come.
Cool.
Amazing. I'm hosting an open mic tomorrow, but that is not when
yeah,
this is released.
by the time this episode goes out, it would
You
have
guys
happened.
can come to an open mic I'm hosting on Versova tomorrow.
We'll do that.
But then,
But yeah, Urjita's ticket links will be in the description, so you can check that out. So will be the Goddess R Instagram link. And मुझे वहीं follow करो. मैं Twitter पे Abbas Momin, Instagram पर Abbas Momin 88. I keep
और real
posting.
life में IVM के ऑफिस में.
और बहुत passionate इंसान हूँ मैं तो.
Nice.
But yeah, those are my social media handles. And one last time, if you're watching us on YouTube, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with Karan Johar and anybody else who's a fan of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. We hope and tell us what you think of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and whether you think it has aged well or not. And we will have Priyam back very soon, hopefully. And next week we will see you with a new movie and a new guest. Till then, bye bye.